Well, what's up, dudes?
Matter of fact, boys, guys, matter of fact, that's it. How do I mute? How do I mute? I challenge Redful to a 1v1 on Type Racer right now. Dude! Flip it, boys. Dude! Flip it and tell him. Flip it and tell him, guys.
Dude, listen.
What?
You won't believe what happened to me.
I'm calling out other streamers.
Have you ever done the human reaction time? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I fall like right into the middle, or slightly a little bit ahead of the bell curve. Fuck. That's garbage. That was even worse. Oh my god, are we even trying? Oh my god, it's getting worse every time I click. Oh my god, I'm getting slower and slower. We were doing like 2... Oh shit, okay, maybe it's because we're talking. Alright, hold on. Let's get... Okay, hold on. No, we can do better. Oh shit, whoops. Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on. Let's try it. Let's try with our thumbs, alright? Oh my god, what the fuck? Wait, fuck. I'm psyching myself out. Okay, we had a 2:30 in here, okay? Let's do it. Oh god, I wasn't watching. Okay, alright, 2:40. Let's bring it down. We can bring it down. Oh my god, no, we can't bring it. Oh shit, no, we can't bring it down. Can't bring it down. Okay, 2:45. Alright, come on. Let's get a good... Okay, good 2:30s. We're getting a good 2:30s coming in here. Hold on. What are we doing? Okay. That's what I want. Right there. Alright, let's get one more of those. Okay, alright. Bringing it back. Alright, bringing it back. We're bringing it back. Okay, alright, yeah, that's it. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're done now. Okay, somebody linked the thing, a puzzle. There were some puzzles, guys. Fuck. Somebody linked them there. They looked interesting. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? It's from a channel with like 3 million. It's called like Veridas or Vera something. Does anybody know the name of this guy's channel? Oh my god, what's the name of this dude's channel? Fuck, he's super popular. Oh, Veritasium? What does that even mean? Did he put out the answer? The answer video yet? Oh no, he hasn't.
Good idea, eating Dungeness crab at Joe's Crab Shack. Bad idea, eating crab in a dungeon. Best idea, build your own boil. Start with Dungeness crab, corn and potatoes, then add your favorites. Only at Joe's.
At the Palace of Discovery in Paris,
Okay, are you guys ready for this shit? We're doing all 4 of these, okay? Good luck.
they have this huge turntable where you can sit and perform experiments. Like in the middle of the turntable, you can put some water and then add liquid nitrogen, and this creates a kind of fog, these tiny water droplets that spread out from the middle. But because the actual linear speed of this turntable is increasing the further out you go, well, the vapor falls further and further behind, creating a swirl that looks a little bit like a hurricane. And that analogy is not by accident. The Earth is, after all, one giant turntable, and the weather patterns we get are a result of that. When you study physics in rotating frames of reference, or even just rotating bodies, you find some pretty mysterious and counterintuitive phenomena, which is why I'm dedicating this video to 4 revolutionary riddles. Number 1. Here I have a ramp or an inclined plane, and just to show you I'm not doing anything funny with it, if I just let a roll of tape go, it will accelerate down the ramp. But here I have a mystery cylinder. And I'm going to place that on the ramp, and we will see that it rolls, and then it stops, and then it rolls, and then it stops. So my question to you is, what is in the mystery cylinder? What is this object?
Okay, so I think all of these are deceptively easy, so I don't know. This looks like some type of fluid to me. That would be like my guess. That's like my guess, is that when it starts to roll, the fluid like moves back, which causes it to stop, and then it does that for, like, that's like a guess. I don't actually know. Half water but not full. Yeah, I don't think it's completely full, but do we have any good guesses in here? It's a thick liquid, so something like honey. Oh yeah, sure, maybe it's like one of these tall dolls, a roly-poly toy. Oh, I don't think so, not like this. I'm thinking liquid. Just get a water bottle and roll it? I don't have one. I'm feeling like it's a liquid, but I don't know. That's my guess for this one. I don't think this one is as interesting though.
Object.
These next 3 though, or at least 2 of them are really interesting. No, all 3 are interesting now.
Number 2, take a bicycle and have someone support it so it doesn't fall over, or lean it up against something, and then take a bit of string and tie it to the bottom pedal. Now what I'm going to do is...
Oh shit, are you guys ready?
Pull backwards horizontally on this string, and I want you to predict what the bike will do. Will it go backwards, forwards, or will it just stay there and not move?
My intuition would...
So this is a really interesting question.
And I want...
So listen one more time, okay? Am I blocking it? Yes, you can still see.
I want you to predict what the...
So
pull...
we have a string attached to the pedal.
Backwards horizontally on this string, and I want you to predict what the bike will do. Will it go backwards, forwards, or will it just stay there and not move?
Okay, I'm gonna pull chat on this before I talk about this. I feel like I know the right answer, but I don't know. I feel like I know the right answer, but what happens? Does it go forward, backwards, forwards, backwards, forward, backward, or it remains stationary? Okay, so this is really interesting because it makes you question your understanding of how a bicycle works. So when I started thinking about this, I started to think, like, how does a bike work? So I'm going to walk through my logic of how I believe a bike functions, and then you can tell me if this is correct. I'm not entirely sure. So I think at a very, very, very basic level, okay? Actually, hold on. At a very basic level, let us construct a vehicle, a theoretical vehicle, okay, with 2 wheels. That are connected like this, okay? And then you have like your seat here, okay? So this is our theoretical vehicle, all right? And we are sitting in this seat, right? So theoretically, to make this vehicle work, okay, we would move our feet forward and put them onto this wheel, and we would push the wheel to like roll forward, right? And then that could kind of make the vehicle start to move, right? In a very, very, very basic way, right? So if we want to get like mechanical properties involved in order to make this work more efficiently, to give ourselves a better platform to put our feet onto, you could put like spokes out, I guess, like a spoke that's like sticking out. Imagine this is in 3 dimensions, right? And then you could put your foot on this to move it forward, right? You put your foot on the spoke and then push it to like get it turned around, right? And then if we continue to increase the complexity, what we can do is we can tie a chain here, right, that goes around some part of the wheel. And then we have some kind of gear here that the chain is wrapped around. And instead we move the spokes to the gear, right? So that what we are effectively doing is we are turning a gear here. That gear is causing a chain to rotate that's attached to a gear on a bike that's moving it, right? This is this essentially how a bike works fundamentally? I've never actually like stopped to really think about it, but more or less this is how power transmission works. This would be like the transmission of a bike, right? Does this work, or is this not real life? Destiny, yes. Okay. So if we are thinking of the application of force onto this bike to make it move, if we any force that you, okay, so hold on. Okay. Okay, so let's look at our big meme, okay? So we've got a turning gear here. Okay, and we've got a pedal here that is connected to this gear. All right, there we go. It's sticking out, all right? So what your goal is to do is, your goal is to apply, essentially like you're trying to apply a force that is tangential to the gears, right? Does this make sense? Is this like what you're trying to do on a bike? Essentially, you're always trying to apply some sort of force that's moving the pedal in a way that causes the that causes it to move, right? In this kind of a pattern, right? This is kind of your goal for application of force. So like if you've got a pedal here, right, and the center of the circle is here, right, your goal is to always be applying force. Is it tangential or like in a transverse? I don't know. There's some word I'm looking for here, right? But this is always your goal for force application, right? Can we just watch the video? It doesn't answer the question, you fucking idiot. This is why it's a riddle. So this is always the goal that our, what would you call these, like a force vector or something? I don't fucking remember any of this shit. But this is always like your goal for movement, right? So the question is, if we have a gear here, okay, and we tie a string to the gear, tying a string implies that we are applying a force that is moving this in a manner tangential to the center of the gear or any part of it or whatever, right? So if we do that and we pull that string back, we should expect it to activate this transmission in such a way that it sends the bike moving forward, right? Does that, so my guess would be that if you pull the string back, it should move the bike forward. That's my guess. Anybody that says gear ratio is a fucking idiot. Fuck off. Does that really matter? What, are we assuming that he's in like a super ultra high gear or a super ultra low gear so it doesn't do it? That's not the point of the question, isn't it? Look at the solution of the riddle. Oh shit. Is this gonna tell us? What if the one guy's holding the brake?
A bike can have the same two behaviors. Pulling backward at the bottom of the cycle makes this bike go backward.
Why?
But you could also pull at a higher angle to make the bike go forward. Mathematics.
Oh shit. Alright, hold on. Now we gotta watch. Let's get the explanation.
In the simplest case, imagine the circle rolling along the ground, making a series of arcs with a cusp each time the point touches the ground.
Oh, I should have done a straw poll after my explanation to see how many people were convinced.
The cusp is where it reverses from down to up. In a second case, let the circle rotate faster to generate a trochoid that crosses over itself. This is the very low gear case, where the point is some...
Okay, we'll watch the whole video, actually. Alright, we're watching it all now.
Here's a tricky puzzle. Take a bicycle.
Alright, we're watching.
Stand it up on level ground and tie a string to its lower pedal. I'm leaning this bike slightly against this table so it doesn't tip over, but you can just have a friend hold it lightly to keep it from falling to the side. Now, pull straight back on the string. Will the bicycle start to move backward, or forward, or not at all? Why don't you pause this video now and think about it.
We thought about it. I said
Okay,
pull
what's your prediction?
would make it move
Most people
forward.
predict it'll go forward.
Yep.
Like pedaling, you're applying a clockwise torque to the pedals, which makes them rotate clockwise, and the rear wheel, connected by the chain, also rotates clockwise, which we know makes the bike go forward. That may seem plausible. Right now the back wheel is going clockwise, but I'm holding this bike in the air, so this isn't exactly the same as having it on the ground. Does that make a difference? You want to keep thinking and maybe change your answer? Why not pause now to think more about what happens and why before I pull this string?
When I was thinking about it before, the other thing that I was trying to consider was, and I felt like I was looking at it from the wrong angle, although now obviously not. The one thing I was thinking is that maybe if so this gets into Newtonian memes, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction or whatever, is that having a person on the bike applying that force, the fact that a person is on the bike doing it versus off the bike doing it might make a difference. But I couldn't think of a reason why. But I had like an intuitive feeling about that, but I couldn't put it into words. So I wasn't sure if it, so it didn't feel as correct to me as this, although I'm starting to think that maybe that might be the reason why. Maybe that's not even the reason why. I guess we'll keep going and find out.
And demonstrate. Okay, if you take a bike out of your garage and experiment, you'll discover that when you pull the string, the bike starts to go backward, and the rear wheel is going counterclockwise. Why is that?
I don't know.
The reason isn't we pull backward so it goes backward. I'll show you in a minute why that's too simple an answer. Instead, look carefully at how a bike pedal moves relative to the ground. In the lower half of its revolution, the pedal goes backward relative to the bike, but watch carefully and you'll see that it's going forward relative to the ground. That's because the pedal moves slowly compared to the bike. So if you drag a string behind the pedal of a bike moving forward, the string is always moving forward. Now just play that movie backward in your mind, and it may be clear how pulling the string backward could make the bike move backward. They move forward together, so they move backward together.
Wait, what? Oh my god, I don't even understand it.
Moving forward, the string is always moving forward. Now just in the lower half of its revolution, the pedal goes backward relative to the bike, but watch carefully and you'll see that it's going forward relative to the ground. That's because the pedal moves slowly compared to the bike. So if you drag a string behind the pedal of a bike moving forward, the string is always moving forward. Now just play that movie backward in your mind, and it may be clear how pulling the string backward could make the bike move backward. They move forward together, so they move backward together. So I hope
Oh, shit. Okay. But does that even... Oh, my God.
I flipped your intuition about what to expect, and now it makes sense that the bike goes backward. But there's more to the story. Let me flip your intuition again.
Uh-oh.
Here's where mathematical imagination lets me see another possibility. I claim the bike could also go forward, but not your bike. Watch this. Again, I pull the same pedal backward, but now the bike moves forward.
He fixed it.
What's different is that I have this bike in a very low gear. Most bikes don't have a gear this low, so you probably can't reproduce this at home. You'd need a super low climbing gear to make a bike go forward this way. I first calculated how low a gear is needed, then I had this bike custom modified with a very large rear sprocket to bring the math into reality.
Oh,
When the ratio of the pedal radius to the wheel radius is larger than the ratio of the front sprocket to the rear sprocket, the bike moves forward. In low gears, you pedal faster to travel the same distance. You get a mechanical advantage because you apply a small force over a larger distance, as Archimedes explained, though not with bicycles. In this really low gear, you have to pedal so fast that at the bottom of its revolution, the pedal goes backwards relative to the ground. The bike moves forward as the pedal is pulled backward. Bikes don't usually have gears this low because you're better off walking than having your feet go backward. The clearest way to understand all this is to explore the complete trajectory of a point on the pedal. Its path through space is called a trochoid. This is the curve generated by a point rotating on a circle, while the center of the circle moves along a line at constant speed. There are three kinds of trochoid, depending on how fast the circle rotates compared to how fast it moves. In the simplest case, imagine the circle rolling along the ground, making a series of arcs with a cusp each time the point touches the ground. The cusp is where it reverses from down to up. In a second case, let the circle rotate faster to generate a trochoid that crosses over itself. This is the very low gear case, where the point is sometimes moving backward. In the third case, the rotation is slow, and we just get a wavy line. This corresponds to how the pedal moves in most bikes in most gears. The pedal is always moving forward. Here's a related experiment you can do with a spool of thread, or a yo-yo. Pull at a low angle, and the spool moves towards you, but pull at a high angle, and the spool moves away. A bike can have the same two behaviors. Pulling backward at the bottom of the cycle makes this bike go backward, but you could also pull at a higher angle to make the bike go forward. Mathematics clarifies the general case for any gear for any direction of pull at any point in the cycle.
Destiny really
the pedal is
got
constrained to follow the
gear-stroyed
trochoid,
in
so the
that
direction of the
debate.
pull relative to the direction of the trochoid at that point tells us what will happen. In a high gear, pulling to the left always goes against the motion that generates the trochoid, and the bike goes backward. But if you pull upward at this point, the force has a component in the forward direction of the trochoid, and so the bike goes forward. And what about my special super low gear? Pulling to the left at the bottom of the cycle is part of the forward motion of its trochoid, so the bike goes forward. Most people are surprised to learn that pulling the pedal straight back makes their bike go backward. Challenge your friends to predict what will happen, and I bet most will get it wrong. You'll probably have to do the experiment with a real bicycle to convince them.
Damn, Daniel. All right, well, that's the first one.
My intuition would tell me that it would go forward.
I think it might not move. If you're going to be pulling backwards from a stationary point on the pedal, you're going to be pulling it backwards just as the pedals are.
Slowly as you 2 laps of
2, 1.
Number 3. I want you to think about running 2 laps of this track. Now the first lap you can go as slowly as you like. Let's call that speed V1. But on your second lap, I want you to run faster, such that the total average speed for both laps combined is twice V1, twice the speed of your first lap. So the question for you is, how fast do you have to run that second lap so that your total average speed is 2 V1?
This one sounds simple, but it's like very, very, very deceptively simple. And I've read answers that make me feel like the obvious answer that you want to say is 3 times faster. But I don't know if this has to do with the phrasing, or if it has to do with or if even with this phrasing it works. So he's saying that, let's say that we run 1 lap, okay? So if we run 1 lap, then we and we go at speed 1, right? So we want to make it so that when we run the second lap, the average of these two values, right, is equivalent to 2 times this. Right, is that what the problem is?
Speed for both laps.
Hold on.
On your second lap, slowly as you like. Let's call that speed V1. But on your second lap, I want you to run faster, such that the total average speed for both laps combined is twice V1, twice the speed of your first lap. So the question for you is, how fast do you have to run that second lap so that your total average speed is 2 V1?
So, The weird thing is that if you average out the average of velocity, it's the speed of the entire run. Yeah, that's what people are saying, that I don't actually understand where that comes from. So like you'd have to make sure that the v1 times t1 plus v2 times t2 equals vag times total. Talk about the distance of the track and you will fix yourself. So like this is what I don't understand. So let's say that we run, so like if I say this like this, let's say that we run the first lap at 1 mile per hour, okay? So we run the first lap at 1 mile per hour, and then we run the second lap at 3 miles per hour, right? So if somebody says like, how long was your first lap? And you say 1 mile per hour, and then you say, how long was your second lap? You go, okay, I ran that one at 3 miles an hour. You say, okay, so your average speed between both laps would have been 2 miles per hour, right? That sentence structure sounds fine for me, but other people are saying that what you actually have to do is keep in mind the total time it takes you to run. So if your first one is 1 mile per hour, if you run the next lap at 2 miles per hour, your average speed doesn't become 1.5. Your average speed is actually lower than that because you run the second lap twice as quickly as the first lap, right? Which would mean that this is impossible. You would have to, and because of the way I'm pretty sure this like asymptotically approaches a value, this becomes impossible to do. Like you would have to run the second lap at infinite speed. I don't know, but the phrasing on that seems really weird. I feel like the way that I said that last sentence, I feel like that could be a possible solution, but it depends on if you treat the average speed of a lap or average speed of the run. Yeah, maybe. Like, because if somebody, I guess like the thing is that it doesn't have to do with phrasing. Like if somebody said that like, oh, this guy did 3 laps, right? And his first lap, the first lap he went 10 miles per hour, the next lap he went 30 miles per hour, and then the next lap he went 20 miles per hour, right? And somebody's like, what was his average speed between all 3 laps? It seems like you would just say like, oh, well, this is 20 miles per hour would be his average speed, but that's not right. It's more complicated than that. Maybe I've just never seen it phrased this way before, because it's wrong to do that. People treat it as a simple math problem and disregard the reality behind it. Yeah, maybe. But it's more complicated than that. Because for your average speed, why is it wrong to do that? Oh God. Okay, I'm going to try to do this, and we'll see if we butcher this, okay? Let's say that I'm going to try to keep these numbers as simple as possible. Let's say that a lap is 30 miles. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to talk through this and do Stephen math. There are probably official formulas for this, but I'm just going to say this. There's probably like an actual formula to do this. So if a track is 30 miles, okay, and 1 lap is 10 miles per hour, that means that you spend 3 hours, right? 3 hours are spent at 10 miles per hour. So this gets more weight than everything else, right? And then 1 hour is spent at 30 miles per hour. Make it 1 mile. Maybe that's what I'm saying. And then you're spending and then you're doing oh God, well, this would be 1.5 hours. My handwriting is so bad. And then you're spending 1.5 hours going 20 miles per hour, right? So when you look at it like this and you ask what was your average speed throughout the run, now you can start to see that, okay, well, your average speed is probably going to be something lower, right? If you just look at this rationally, you're spending over half of your time, right? You're moving for 5.5 hours and you're spending half of that time going 10 miles per hour. Or over half going 10, right? Your average speed is probably not going to be sitting at this 20 miles per hour, right? But I don't know how you would actually solve for this. Can you add this all together and then divide it out? If you were going, let's say that you spent 3 hours going 10 miles per hour, and then you spent 1 hour going 20 miles per hour. I feel like I could derive this, but it would take me a while because I'm fucking horrible at math now. If you spent 1 hour going 10 miles per hour, or wait, hold on. Let's say you spent 2 hours going, somebody just linked the formula in chat, okay? If you spent 2 hours going, if you spent 2 hours going 10 miles per hour, and then you spent 1 hour going 20 miles per hour, would it be 2/3 times 10 times 1/3 of 20? Does that sound right? So 6.666 plus 6.666. Is that right? Would your average speed be 13.32? Or am I totally fucking off? Is that right? Or am I... (10 plus 10 plus 20 divided by 3. 10 plus 10 by 3. 90 divided by 5.5. It's 16.36. Okay, why? Hold on, let's look at this dude's shit.
It's impossible because they work in time per lap and not average speed per lap. You run a 60-second lap, 60-sec lap plus XSEC lap, 2 equals 30 sec means X equals 0. Therefore...
Yeah, that's the actual solution. The guy who said 10 plus 10 plus 20 divided by 3 is right. Plus 20 divided by 3. But that's what I did, but everybody said it was wrong. So like the way that I would rationalize this is that if I'm spending 2 hours, 2 of 3 hours going 10 miles per hour, then my average is going to be 2/3 of 10. And then I'm doing 1 of 3 hours at 20 miles per hour. This is why we need debits to reform education, make America capable of doing basic income. Nice man. And then we would do 1/3 of 20. Wait, so what is the actual answer? Does anybody know what the actual answer is? Because I'm getting different answers in chat. This guy says 90 divided by 5.5. The other guy is saying... Okay, so 90 miles. The reason for this is because you have to ponderize every distance and every time. 10 divided... Or 10 times... Oh my god, hold on. Not all laps are equal. 1 hour, 20 miles per hour. Oh wait, hold on. Total distance divided by total time. What was our example down here from? If we spent 2 hours going 10 miles per hour, and then we did 1 hour at 20 miles per hour. Oh, I'm treating these as laps. I'm sorry, this was retarded. This example was bad. My bad. Hold on. Let me rewrite this. Okay? Let's do this as really basic. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I fucked this up. Okay. We have... My example was really bad there. Okay, so let's say that we have 1 lap is equal to 1 mile. Okay? So let's say that we travel once, we go 1 mile per hour, and then we do this for 1 lap. Okay, so we go 1 mile per hour for 1 lap, okay? My handwriting is so bad. Okay. And then we do 2 miles an hour for 1 lap. So here you would be traveling 2 laps. And your average speed would be what? How do you figure this out? Write your 1 so they don't look like... There you go. Like, my guess would be 1.5, but I don't think that's right. That's not right. The average speed is speed you would need to travel at to cover the full distance in the full time. What is your average speed if the second lap takes 0 seconds? If the second lap takes 0 seconds, then your average speed would be 2 miles per hour? If you finish both laps. Wait, so if you finish 1 lap at 1 mile per hour, and then you did the next lap instantly, then your average speed would be 2 miles per hour? Wait, Destiny, 90 divided by 5.5 was for the problem on the right, 40 divided by 3 was for your problem. You weren't wrong. Oh, wait, was I right? Oh, fuck. Oh, well, if I was right with my first thing, then I understand everything. If we're doing 2 laps, and I want to know the average speed between both of these laps, if we do the first lap at 1 mile per hour, and then the second lap at 2 miles per hour, wouldn't it just be, would it be 1/2 of 1 plus 1/2 of 2? So would it be 1.5? Is that correct? Would be the average speed? Is this correct? You're it's not 1.5. What is the answer to this? What is the answer to this? It's 1.333. Wait, why? Write it out for me. I'll read it. It's 1.3. You travel 2 miles in 1.5 hours. You're spending 1.5 hours to run 2 miles. Okay, so we are going... Treat it as the total distance divided by... Okay, so if we do 1 mile per hour for the first lap, it's taking us 1 hour to go 1 mile. And then in the second one, it's taking us 0.5 hours to go 1 mile. So we're traveling a distance of 2 miles over 1.5 hours. Am I on the right track? So that means that we would have to go, we go 2 miles in 1.5 hours. So then it would be 2 divided by 1.5. Is this the right line of thought? Is this, we're thinking correctly? Okay. So you're looking for, you're dividing your total distance traveled is being divided by the total time spent. We don't do cursive. The total time spent traveling them. And that equals our average speed, right? Is this correct then? So, because this is the definition of average speed, right? Because speed is given to us. Oh, of course, right? Because speed is miles divided by hour is how we measure speed, is miles per hour, right? Okay. All right, we're getting it. We're working on it. Okay. All right. So the answer to this is impossible. You can't do it. That second lap, you would have to run infinitely fast.
Number 4. Anytime a train is moving, either slowly or very fast, there is a part of the train which is actually moving backwards with respect to the ground. That is, not backwards with respect to the train, and it doesn't have to be going so slowly that if you ran backwards, you would be going backwards with respect to the ground. It is at any speed, any normal train will have a part of it which is moving backwards with respect to the ground. My question to you is, which part is it? Now, with these 4 riddles...
Okay, so I feel like this is starting to tie back into our bike thing that we did.
V1, twice the speed. Fast you have to run that V1. Number 4. Anytime a train is moving, either slowly or very fast, there is a part of the train which is actually moving backwards with respect to the ground. That is, not backwards with respect to the train, and it doesn't have to be going so slowly that if you ran backwards, you would be going backwards with respect to the ground. It is at any speed, any normal train will have a part of it which is moving backwards with respect to the ground. My question to you is, which part is it? Now, with these...
Part of a part makes sense. So based on the bike thing we did, wouldn't it be the bottom part of the wheel? Is that really going backwards? It's not the bottom part of the wheel pusher things? But is that really moving backwards in direction of the ground? Or with respect to the ground? The bottom of the wheel is stationary. Yeah, that's what it sounds like to me. What moves backwards in respect to the ground? It would have to be something sticking out from the wheel. The emissions simple. The wheel guards on the bottom of the wheel. Are those guys moving? There's some physics meme that I'm missing because I'm not understanding this. It can't be like a whole part, right? If the ground is here and you have a vehicle here, this is my car. How could you ever have something that is constantly moving backwards with respect to the ground while the rest of the vehicle is moving forwards? I understand that there are things that could at times move backwards with respect to the ground, but how can you constantly be moving backwards with respect to the ground if what you're on is moving forward? That doesn't make sense, does it? What am I missing? It's got to be like a part of something, right?
Hey Destiny,
Hey.
I really want to know your thoughts on the newest threats to involving North Korea calling on thermonuclear war. I'm honestly scared and I shouldn't be for the future of the love your detailed YouTube videos, by the way.
The literal bottom of the wheel that touches the ground is moving backwards to propel the train forward. What? I don't think that's true at all. I don't think wheels propel anything. Isn't it the transmission attached to the wheel? Transmission is literally called transmission because you're transmitting power. The wheels don't do the pushing, the engine does, right? The wheels just are always right? I'm not sure. Wheels make a force backwards. I don't care about North Korea. I don't think anything's gonna happen with North Korea. I don't know. It's fucking North Korea. Whatever happens, happens. I don't know if it doesn't do to dwell on it. It's a part of the flange? Flange? I don't know what this is. A wheel which moves without slipping is motionless at the point of contact. Yeah, I would imagine. Destiny is such a basic understanding of auto vehicle propulsion. It's the exhaust that pushes the car forward, you idiot. That's why you always see those sick, go-fast Honda Civics with 4-inch exhaust. But that's only if you have like 4 different exhaust pipes. To actually move a car forward using the exhaust, that's a really high performance thing. In order to do that, you need the undercoat of the car to actually have, you need at least 4 different pipes pushing exhaust out. And you've got to get rid of all of your catalytic converters as well because it creates too much backflow in order to actually propel your car forward that way using only the propellants from the engine. Oh, we've got a stack exchange post, boys. All right. So I found out that untransferred part of it will always be moving backwards. I found out. Given that almost all answers ignore this part, I think it might be more clear than what you're asking. This question about cycloids. Whoa, that's the bike stuff we were looking at. When a wheel of radius A is greater than 0, it rolls on the x-axis to the right. Its center moves according to some complicated ass bullshit. Where we have assumed that the angular velocity is 1. Consider now a point P, which is rigidly attached to the wheel at distance. What is this? Is this lambda? I don't remember any of this shit, dude. Okay. Lambda A greater than 0 for the axis. The movement of P is a superposition of the translational movement, number 1, and a rotational movement. Can I get a fucking picture of this shit? The rims have a larger radius than the circle rolling on the track. So after having watched the videos, I can understand this intuitively. If you have a radius larger than the wheels themselves, it necessarily has to be moving backwards in respect to the ground because it's moving out farther. However, that's only going to be for part of it, right? I'm sorry, I always make up visualizations in my head when I'm trying to understand concepts. So like this concept is, let's say that you've got a wheel on a track, okay? You've got a wheel on a track, and then let's say that attached to this wheel, you have a huge wheel, right, outside, right? But this is really the wheel that moves, okay? So as this wheel moves and sends this vehicle forward, on this wheel here, once you reach the halfway mark and you're moving this way, once you reach this halfway mark, this area here, in order to make it all the way around, right, is going to have to be moving very, very, very quickly compared to this, right? Because you're talking about making the outside of a rotating body keep in contact with or keep connected to an inside, right? So because it's moving so quickly here to keep up with that, hold on, I'll read real fast. Because it's moving quickly to keep up with that, it's going to be moving backwards with respect to the ground, right? But it's only this part. It's only this part. Once it reaches the top half, it's going to be moving much quicker than the inside of this circle, right? Sorry, my autism acted about his word for a second. OP. Hey, Destiny, oh, no, it's okay, buddy. I love you. I'm honestly scared. I wouldn't be scared of anything having to do with North Korea. I mean, Trump is pretty scary, but he worded it to talk about just that bottom section. Really? Holy shit, I have no idea what you're talking about, Destiny. When you get it figured out, can you 5th grade this for me? No, you understand this. You can understand this. Hold on. This isn't complicated. Okay. If you have a track here, okay? Oh, actually, if you really want to learn about this, you should learn about limited slip differentials. Explain all of these concepts, okay? Okay, let's say that you've got a rotating wheel here, right? Do you understand this, right? The outside of the wheel has to spin faster than the inside of the wheel, right? So if you took a wheel and you spun it on your hand or a basketball or anything, right? The outside is spinning quicker than the inside, right? Because if you were to take a tape measure and measure this distance is going to be shorter than this distance, right? So in order to travel that longer distance at the same speed at the same time as the inner distance, you have to be moving at a higher speed, right? Cars do this naturally with something called a limited slip differential in between the axes of your wheels, right? Because when you're turning, the outside wheel needs to rotate more than the inside wheel because it's got to cover a greater distance when you're turning in a direction, right? So if we understand that concept, let's say that we have a wheel, okay? We're not going to pretend there's no gears or anything, right? We don't have a gear or anything, right? So if you've got a wheel spinning on the ground, okay, and you're going in this direction, okay? As this wheel is spinning on the ground, and you're moving in this direction, if you were to attach something on this wheel that was larger than itself, right, that isn't touching the ground somehow, if you were to attach a wheel that's larger than itself, that's not touching the ground, right? So this is our wheel that's spinning, right? As this wheel is spinning, this thing has to spin even faster than this wheel, right? If this wheel is spinning at a certain speed to move us forward at a certain speed, this thing has to spin faster than whatever this wheel is spinning at, right? So if this inner wheel is spinning at 5 miles per hour and this outer one is spinning at 10 miles per hour, right? I don't know if you can see that, right? That means that when you reach this point and this thing is moving in this direction, if you were to be standing on the ground, this thing is actually moving back, like any specific point is actually moving backwards in reference to the ground until it reaches this halfway mark, right? I think, right? Do I understand all these things? Sort of, no. What am I missing here? Yes. Are there just people memeing? If you put a plane on a treadmill where the treadmill will run backwards at the same speed the wheels are rotating, will the plane take off? Yeah, but that's like a really misleading question because planes don't have transmissions that transmit power to the wheels. They use jet engines, right? Or propellers, so I don't... The point of contact isn't moving at all relative to the ground, though. No, the wheel itself shouldn't be. Or not the point of contact, at least, right? Wow, Dawnless. What an edgy name.
I look forward
Dawnless.
to this moment every month. Yee.
I think what we're talking about here, this is the same concept, right? I think what we're talking about here has to do with the cycloid shit. I'm almost positive that it's like, it is this exactly.
In the rear wheel, you pull the to the forward to get mathematical.
Oh, this shit right here. I think it has to do with this, right?
This is the curve generated by a point rotating on a circle, while the center of the circle moves along a line at constant speed. There are 3 kinds of trochoid, depending on how fast the circle rotates compared to how fast it moves. In the simplest case, imagine the circle rolling along the ground, making a series of arcs with a cusp each time the point touches the ground. The cusp is where it reverses from down to up. In a second case, let the circle rotate faster to generate a trochoid that crosses over itself. This is the very low gear case, where the point is sometimes moving backward. In the third case, the rotation is slow, and we just get a wavy line. This corresponds to how the pedal moves in most bikes in most gears. The pedal is always moving forward.
So this bottom example, I think, this bottom example would be a very, very small gear attached to a larger, this would be a small gear put onto a transmission attached to something with a larger presence than itself, a larger ratio. Would that be correct? Like if you were to say like a 1-to-10 ratio, that would be a small gear attached to a large drivetrain. Is that the word you're looking for? Whatever, right? But that, right, this would be a small gear attached to a big wheel where the gear is spinning faster than the wheel. Oh my God, that is it. It just clicked, dude. I just had the fucking house moment, right? I'm pretty sure I completely understand this concept now, right? So if the gear is spinning faster than the wheel that it is attached to, if it is a smaller ratio gear than the shit that's attached to, then that would mean that with respect to the ground, anything past that halfway mark is always moving backwards with respect to the ground because it has to. No. Yeah, because it has to spin so quickly to keep up with that larger meme, right? Is that correct? Wait, is that correct, or is that or do I have it backwards? The pedal has to move backwards at the bottom so that it can get more than 1 revolution per revolution of the tire. Yeah. I don't see how a point always moves backwards. No. Yeah, this is right. Because it has to spin super fast to make this thing spin. If this has to spin multiple RPMs for this to spin at any RPM, then that would mean that with respect to the ground, this thing inside, when the point is on the bottom half, is moving backwards very quickly, right? Is that right? Think of a car doing a burnout. If the car isn't moving, wheels are slipping, causing a large burnout. Oh shit, wait, I'm not sure if I have it. Maybe I don't have it. Shiny Cookie is saying yes. What is link your degree, bro? Destiny, this guy says no. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. It's the opposite. It's the exact opposite. Whoever said yes is an asshole. Wait, it's the exact opposite, isn't it? It's when the gear is larger than the wheel on the ground that it'll be moving faster. But that's only if... Wait, but isn't that only if the RPMs are linked? Like if 1 RPM on the gear is the same as 1 RPM on the tire? Don't the RPMs have to be linked at that point for that to be true? Oh, God. What even links RPMs? Oh, your transmission links RPMs from your engine to RPMs of your tire. But I'm assuming the RPM is the same, but it might not necessarily be the same. Oh my fucking God, it's too much for me. I can't do it. You're getting closer? We're getting closer. Okay, let me make a statement. So if the RPM is the same on a gear that is smaller than a larger thing, then that means that if the gear is what's transmitting power to the larger, or it doesn't matter what's transmitting power because they're moving in sync with one another, that would mean that the thing on the larger thing, which would mean the wheel, is moving backwards with respect to the ground. It's the flange of the wheel which extends beyond the edge of the point of contact. Oh, beyond the edge of the point of contact, because it's not making contact with the ground. Okay. Okay. If something extends from the wheel that is larger than the wheel and isn't making contact with the ground, then I understand that. Because it's larger, it's going to be moving backwards with respect to the ground on the bottom half of its cycle, right? Because it has to cover the same distance as the thing in the middle that's moving it forward, but it's got to do it in the same time span, meaning it's... I understand that. But I guess I just don't know what that part is, the flange or whatever. Playing Kerbal Space Program ruined, like, everything having to do with, hold on one second. Alright, D-Man, let me read this. D-Man, it has nothing to do with the size of the opposing gear, it has to do with the speed. If the train wheel scenario, the fact that it's larger makes it go faster, which in turn causes it to go backwards. Yeah, larger than the thing actually moving it, right? I understand that. Oh yeah, watching all the space memes, like, looks like really retarded to me now, because everything is so dumb with the way that it moves, with the way that things move into things, right? Like, when people talk about, like, escaping gravity wells and shit now, like, oh no, there's a star, we've got to escape the gravity well, but they're always, like, driving straight out and shit. Like, how does that even make sense? They're not trying to, like, increase their orbits or anything at all. Like, it's fucking retarded as fuck. Do you notice that shit? Or in the movie Sunlight, where the guys are trying to drive to the sun, they do it by flying straight to the sun, right? But what they should be really doing is decaying their orbit. They should be flying tangential to the sun in the opposite direction of the orbit. It doesn't make any sense. You notice that shit when you watch the way that they do that? The fuck, dude? It's like really, really retarded now watching it. Fuck. Kerbal Space Program was such a sick as fuck game. Holy shit. Oh, this picture is easily retarded because the magnet, even if it's pulling this magnet, is connected to the body that has the magnet attached, so the forces very easily cancel each other out, right? Okay. If you're going fast enough, you can go straight towards it and end up in the sun. Yeah, but it would never make sense to do that. It's a very super inefficient way. You would just never, ever, 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 ever do that. It doesn't make any sense, right? In case you still care. Revolutionary riddle answers.
How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. What causes disease? Bacteria.
3 asks, say that you run around a track in some slow speed. How fast would you have to run around the track for a second lap so that your average speed across the two is twice your speed during the first lap?
I think if you have no angular velocity relative to the sun, you can just fly straight towards or out from the sun or a planet. Yeah, but the possible is that having no angular velocity relative to the sun assumes that you have invented some absolute frame of reference that you are existing on. But that never happens, right? Ships are always launching from the planet Earth, or launching from the moon, or orbiting the sun already, right? Nothing is just sitting there falling into the sun. It doesn't make... Nothing exists like that, because it would have already fallen into the sun, right?
Now, my immediate thought was, wouldn't you have to run infinitely fast? So I did the maths to check. Your speed over the first lap is the distance divided by the time. Pretty obvious. Average speed is 2 times the distance, because it's 2 laps of the same track, divided by the first time plus the second time. Now if we say that this is equal to 2 times the first speed, we have this expression, these 2's can cancel out, and we have an expression for the first speed. But we already have this equation, so in order for these to be equal, t2 here must be 0. Which means that you're running infinitely fast, and because you cannot run faster than the speed of light, which is a constant value, this is impossible.
It's possible to have no velocity relative to the sun? Not really, though. Well, theoretically it is, but everything launches off of Earth, so you inherit all of Earth's velocity as a celestial body, right? If you launch off of Earth, you are inheriting all of Earth's relative speeds to the sun, right?
The last riddle asks, what part of a train moving at any speed is moving backwards relative to the ground? If we look at a train wheel, we see that it's sitting on the track on a thinner inner section. So there's a wider outer part, and that's not actually for keeping the train on the track unless it's an emergency.
And you can cancel that out? Yeah, you can cancel it out, but you would always cancel it out flying like on the transverse of your orbit. you would always, if you're orbiting like this, let's say at the top of this orbit, you would fly backwards in your orbit. You would never fly towards the sun. You would always fly tangential to the sun in the opposite direction of orbit. You would never just point at the sun and fire your rocket boosters. It doesn't make any sense.
See, as Richard Feynman so famously explained. But it's this part here that when the wheel spins, moves backwards relative to the ground. And I've got a really exaggerated example here that I've mocked up that we can use to illustrate that. So as I spin this wheel around here, it's quite clear to see that the bottom parts, the outside parts, which have a larger radius, are moving backwards relative to the ground.
Yeah, we learned all this, right? So he's rolling a thing inside here, and it's rolling here, and as this rolls, because this is so much larger and it has to cover the same distance, or it's got to cover more distance in the same amount of RPMs, because these things are linked together, right, in a 1-to-1 ratio. That's correct, I think, right? This, as it's trapped, this point right here, look, so we see this point here, this is going to actually be behind it, like somewhere over here when it starts to rotate, because it has to be traveling quicker, right? And you actually see, right, that this point, with respect to the ground, this point is moving backwards, even though this whole thing is moving forward. But that's only going to be true on the bottom half of its journey, right? On the top half, it has to be moving very quickly in the other direction, right?
The ground.
Wow, we learned so much stuff today. If you go straight at the sun from the Earth, you would still have velocity around the Earth. You would eventually fall back to the Earth in an elliptical orbit and crash into the Earth. So the way, if my KSP understanding is correct, you've got the sun, you've got the Earth, right? So what you would want to do is eventually you would want to escape the Earth's gravity, right? And the way that you would do that is once you launch, right, and you're on some particular type of orbit, you would increase your speed tangential to the Earth until this orbit got so large that eventually you would escape the gravity of the Earth, right? Once you escaped the gravity of the Earth, you still inherited all of the Earth's speed around the sun, right? Because you've only escaped the gravity of the Earth from the frame of reference of the Earth, right? But you would still be floating around the sun, right? So even if you manage to get away from the Earth, you're still moving with the Earth with respect to the sun, right? You're moving around it. Then you would have to, if you were going in this direction, you would have to accelerate your rocket boosters tangential to the sun in this way, right? Until eventually you would decay your orbit. You would go from that meme to this meme to that meme, right? And then eventually you would fall into the sun. Wow, there we go, boys. But if you look at all the memes, I watched this movie again somewhat recently. For the sunlight movie, it always shows you, like, when you're flying to the sun, it always shows you literally like flying into the sun. Thanks, Leroy the squirrel. Oh, Sunshine might have been the name of the movie, sorry. Wouldn't time slow down a lot when you approach the sun? I don't understand that concept at all. I don't understand. Being next to very large bodies causes time to slow down. I never understood that that effect. I don't remember what it was even called. The time dilation or whatever. I never understood why. I've actually never looked up that. I know that as you approach the speed of light, time slows down relative to observers that aren't moving with you. But that doesn't that happen because you're like reconciling the, oh fuck, I don't remember. It's too complicated. General relativity is autistic as fuck. Wow, nice music video, dude. These guys' ship, though, is always like flying directly into the sun instead of like orbiting around it and decaying. Theoretically speaking, time slows when you tend towards the speed of light. Well, it's not even theoretical. It's that's like an observed phenomenon. Like that's actually a thing that happens. Like time dilation can be measured in like clocks and like planes and shit. Or even don't those global positioning satellites, don't they have to measure dilation and whatnot to be accurate? If you move faster than light, couldn't you point a telescope backwards and see the events that happened in the past, assuming you have some magic telescope? Theoretically, you can never move faster than light. Light should move the same speed in all frames of in all frames of reference. I think light is always moving at the same speed at sea. But it can travel differently through different mediums. Well, yeah, light can travel slower in some mediums, but like in a vacuum, light always moves at speed c. You shouldn't be able to go faster than light. From what I think I know, I don't think you ever can. Or theoretically, with our current understanding of physics, it is not possible. I'm just waiting for steel to finish right now. You can't travel faster than light through space, but you can bend space to shorten the distance. I've heard those memes, but I'm pretty sure all of that is only theoretical, and none of that has ever been proven to be true. Yeah, wormholes, 4-dimensional links through 3-dimensional space are all like highly theoretical. Einstein's theory only states that you can accelerate faster than light, but that travel faster than light was possible. I don't remember the little physics. I studied it, and it's not really above my, or it's way above my pay grade. But nothing can travel faster than light. Even in all frames of reference, light is always traveling at speed c. If you have a car that's moving, and the car is shining its headlights in a direction, if this car is moving 50 miles per hour and the car is shining its headlights at speed c, if you were standing here watching as an observer, you're standing, hey, what's up? And you could measure the light coming off of this car, it wouldn't be moving at the speed of light plus 50 miles per hour. It would still be moving at speed c. I think this is where some of the time dilation comes from as a way to reconcile the passage of time between different frames of reference. I think. I don't remember. I don't remember enough. Shit is way too fucking complicated for me. I don't remember enough. Or maybe not even having learned. But yeah, light can travel slower through certain mediums. When we talk about C, I think you're talking about the speed of light in a vacuum. It can move slower through. What about neutrinos? Science fiction say they can go back in time. I don't think that's true, but I don't know. There was a meme once where somebody thought they'd measured a neutrino traveling faster than light, but it was just a calibration error. I don't remember if that was an LHC meme or not. I don't think it was. Change a game on Twitch. Oh yeah, sure. And that's because /y the driver experiences time slower. Yeah, that I remember reading that, but I don't like repeating these explanations because I don't really have a good enough understanding to know if I'm giving you these accurately. Is that if you see somebody traveling at the speed of light, they will always be traveling at the speed of light in every single frame of reference. So in order to reconcile that, in order to make all the frames of reference consistent, you actually link some of them to time. So you would say that, like, the person traveling at speed c would experience time slower than the person not traveling at speed c. That's how you can travel into the future, kind of. I can't explain it well because I don't understand it well. General relativity is cancerous as fuck. I don't have the vocabulary or the knowledge to explain it really well. You should go read it yourself if you're curious, because I'm not gonna do it justice here. Whoa, what's up, my dude?
It's on the heater.
On the heater?
I won
what?
2 games in the last 4 games I played. Yeah.
Holy shit. Where are we going then?
I did Pachinki last game.
Oh shit.
Yo, the shotgun is actually ridiculous. It's actually fucking so stupidly strong.
Which one?
All of them, but I use the fucking...
The double barrel?
action.
Oh, the pump? Yeah. I mean, they're really, really, really good close range. The only scary thing about the pump is that if you miss the first shot, somebody that's shooting well will kill you before you can fire again. That's the only, like, downside. The double barrel, if you're accurate, I'm pretty sure the double barrel is the best because you can drop somebody in 2 shots before they have a chance to respond. Even if they start firing the same time you do, like, you'll kill them first every time. But if you miss your 2 shots, you're obviously fucked. And then the S12.
Yeah, but if you miss, like, you gotta miss 2 shots.
Well,
holy fuck, there's a lot of people landing. Oh my god,
yeah.
dude.
Apparently the lower level shotguns have
more damage,
higher spreads.
Well, that's why you gotta choke.
Or no, lower spreads. Yeah, lower spreads. I'm sorry, but the S12 does way more damage up close.
No, it doesn't.
Are you sure about that?
Ooh.
Well, I heard that
when I looked at the damage sheet.
The S12.
I looked at the damage sheet.
Supposedly does more damage up close, but the spread is very, very large on it. That's what I had people telling me. I don't know if it's true or not.
Dude, I haven't found even a pistol. Okay, I got an easy.
You said there were a lot of dudes dropping with us?
Yeah, a lot of dudes. Dude.
A lot of dudes, my dude?
A lot of dudes, my dude.
Oh, I see a dude jumping off a building. Fuck.
I want a shotgun right now. It's me, it's me.
Yeah.
Still no shotgun. I got red sights for you. I got extras.
Wow. There's a guy to our northwest in one of those houses. I saw him go in. I don't know if he got a gun or not. Are you getting shot at?
No.
Okay. Can you hook me up with one of those red dots?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm upstairs. I'm dropping a choke. Do you need one?
No, I got one.
Okay.
It's on the floor. I think we should go though instead of being
to
pussies.
Fight?
Just to move. There's one in this house on my left. I'm gonna wrap around it. I'm gonna go in. Oh my god, he's
Oh, his allies up here too. Can I save you? Ah, fuck.
No, I'm dead. He killed me. Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, the allied dude was just waiting at the stairs.
Yeah. I thought only one would be shooting. That's pretty fucking lame. Do you want me to suicide? It's up to you.
Go and try to kill people. There's like 10 more people up there, so.
Arla, you said you had a suppressor. Did you fucking lie to me? Do you know why they died to me?
Because I breached first.
It's because they were
Wait,
so...
he didn't have a suppressor?
No. It's because they were so worried about killing you when you were downed instead of killing me when I came up the stairs.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Right. Oh, he's missing! Double barrel. Oh my god, these guys are so bad. One more on your... What?
I killed the guy outside.
Oh, you got them both. Okay, nice. Oh my god.
Do you know why I killed that dude? It's because I didn't go out and kill the down guy. You like that?
Yeah, nice, dude. You're learning. Like, I missed 2 fucking double barrel shots.
I can't believe it was double barrel. I thought he had the 5 shot. That's why I was scared, because he fired him so slowly. Usually I see people roll off those shots, or at least I fucking do. I have no armor? Why?
The suppressor's on the stairs, apparently.
Oh, I thought that was your body. Oh, holy shit. This guy was geared as fuck. And he had an extended quick draw? What the fuck? PLAYERUNKNOWN'S trench coat? Is this the one that you pay $80 for?
Well, that fucking nerd got me.
What the fuck? Yeah, dude, you got pay to win. I bet he starts off with that suppressor. Okay. Do you think everybody's down? I'll just run around. Let me drink a red meme.
I just ate 5 hard shell tacos and they were so good.
Why? You like on a taco binge? Didn't you eat one yesterday?
Dude, don't fucking question me.
Okay, my bad.
Who cleans your place?
Me?
You, your girlfriend.
Oh,
do you make your kid do it as well?
No, he's only like 6, so I don't think he can like vacuum or anything yet. I mean, I keep my own area tidy. I don't like anybody else organizing my shit. And then she does like the general house cleaning, I guess.
Wow,
right?
dude. It's the 21st century. Like, you guys should be splitting that shit up.
We do split everything up. I pay all the fucking bills. She cleans the house. She might be getting a new, she might actually be getting back into work, though. And if she gets a job, then I'll obviously start picking up a lot more of the house-related stuff.
So progressive, dude.
What's splitting responsibilities, right? I've lived pretty independent of my parents for like the past since I was like probably 16, 17. So that I don't usually have like, I'm not in that like I need people to take care of me kind of mindset that some people are. I don't know. It's kind of weird.
You paid for your own college?
I guess, yeah. Well, with student loans and shit. Well, I mean, I paid it all off now, so. Oh yeah, so I guess I did. Hell yeah, I did. Which sucked though. If you can go to college without working, I heavily recommend it. I don't know, I hear some people, don't take anything I say at face value, you should always consult counselors or financial advisors, but some people say that you should get like a part-time job and whatnot to work off to at least pay off. Was there a guy down there? I don't think so. To pay off the interest or whatever. I disagree. I think if you're going to college, I think you should try to avoid working altogether and just focus on studying as much as possible. Get as much out of college as possible. Because you're going to pay the same amount. If you go to college and you work full fucking time, and you just do the bare minimum in every class, you're paying the same amount as somebody that talks to all of his professors, makes study groups, forms connections. Like, you're both paying the same amount of money, so you might as well get as much out of it as possible. What the fuck? Who'd park a car there?
Wouldn't you be effectively paying more since you'd have more interest payments to make? Like negligible.
Well, I'm just saying that like you're both paying like the full tuition. It's not like, but I mean, yeah, if you paid off earlier, obviously you're paying less in interest. But I don't know. I think that you like, I don't know. It's just very weird to me when you go to like if you don't go to college at all, if you want to avoid all the debt, right? But why do you go to college, right? You assume a debt because you look at it as you look at it as a capital investment in yourself, right? Yeah. So you're investing, you know, some tens of thousands of dollars into some type of asset that you expect will become a revenue generating asset for you in the future, right? That asset is your education, and you want to generate revenue by leveraging that asset against higher paying jobs in the future. So you need to invest as much as you want in that asset to make it pay off. And if that initial investment is hurt because you work a part-time job, like it just becomes very strange and counterproductive, you know? Plus, the more you study in school and the more you learn, the better you'll do in your internet arguments, which is the most important thing.
I guess you did really shitty in school then, since Sargon was able to fucking rape you at debates.
Wow, dude, nice. That was a good one. Oh my god, dude. I had the sickest fucking burn earlier, but I didn't want to use it because I felt I couldn't tell, like, I'm going for it. I'll just go for it. I couldn't tell if it was, like, too much or not.
Yeah.
Ice was making fun of me because he says my girlfriend is really attractive and I'm not as attractive, so he was kind of making fun of me for it. And then Rekful kind of jumped in and made a comment too. And I wanted to say, I really wanted to say people in glass houses, and then I was going to stop and be like, oh, well, I guess you wouldn't be in a glass house because you'd probably get a really bad sunburn on your head. but I'm pretty sure that would have been like too mean, and I don't want her to think I'm like seriously like gunning out or whatever, but dude, that would have been like a 9 out of 10 fucking burn. Holy shit. But yeah, it was probably...
But you didn't say it, but you said it now. So.
Yeah. That would have been too much at the time, but oh man, dude.
Damn, was that a black coat?
Dude, I'm wearing a... Hold on, this is called a PLAYERUNKNOW'S trench coat, okay? I'm pretty sure you have to buy this skin. Oh, I said it was going after the crate. My bad. Alright. Where was it? Over here? Yeah. There. Oh,
ooh, there's a car there.
Yeah.
Bang him out.
I can't. I don't have a 4x.
You don't need a 4x. All you need is a red dot and will.
Alright, you're right, my dude. I don't know what I was thinking.
100% concentrated power.
I'm gonna get shot by some random retard. Feels bad.
Probably.
You don't see anybody, do you? Oh. I shouldn't be spamming. Fuck.
Wait, were you on single or
yeah, I was on single.
Auto? Holy shit, you were shooting like you're on auto.
Oh, I was clicking real fast.
The Dragon Lore of coats?
$70, dude. Holy shit.
What if he opened it? Here, I'm gonna open up a box real quick.
Wait, can you actually open that?
I don't know. My rank's only 656 on solo. My kill rating is 186.
Crate. Oh, how do you even tell what you get from the crates you open?
4th Pioneer crate, 4,200. Continue to receive. I don't know. I think you have to go to your character, and then like it'll show you shit. But I don't know like if it shows you the new stuff or not. Wait, can I do pants give you like extra capacity? I don't think they do. I think it's just purely cosmetic.
Correct.
So I can go in my fucking underwear.
If you want to, yeah.
Utility belt adds though, right? I think it does.
I don't know. Well, you can sell? Unable to sell, unable to sell. Oh, you can sell your shit back. Oh, but you get like no money for it. Don't burn your Wreckful bridge. Yeah, no, I know. It's really hard with Wreckful though, because I can't tell like what he's comfortable joking about or not. Like I'm pretty sure with Ice you can joke about anything and he's not gonna take it personally, but I can't tell as much with Wreckful. I should probably just talk to him beforehand.
All close Mass Effect gameplay. Oh fuck! I just unplugged my monitor, dude.
Oh fuck! Why would you do that?
I'm ready though.
Okay.
Do you or have you owned any pets before?
My girlfriend is a cat. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've ever had.
And the cat lives with you now then?
Yeah.
Dude, I've had a dog since the summer. I just vacuumed again today. Holy shit, just fucking dust and dog hair everywhere.
Yeah, it's pretty insane.
And it's like if I don't vacuum that and I didn't have this air filter that I have, like I'd just be breathing that shit in.
Yeah. What about Nami? Nami was never my dog. Nami was technically Rachel's, guys. That's why I was so upset that she bought it, because I didn't have the time to really look after a dog. Not or at least not a puppy, not like a high energy one. But no, Nami was never technically my dog. I just had it all the time watching it for Rachel. Why would I have gotten rid of Nami if it was my dog? Are you guys serious? I wouldn't buy a dog and then get rid of it. It sounds like some autistic shit that Alicia would do.
Jesus.
Do you know Alicia, the streamer?
Yeah, I do.
She bought a fucking
do that?
kitten. Oh, I guess technically I did own 2 cats. When my first girlfriend, my first really serious relationship, my ex-wife or whatever, we had 2 cats. Alicia bought a kitten, right? And I had those 2 cats when they were kittens. Kittens need a lot of attention. They're very active. They're very playful.
RuneScape Alicia, right?
Yeah. That's,
okay.
Yeah. But yeah, Alicia bought like a kitten, and then it was meowing all the time, and she got really irritated. She like locked it out of all of her rooms. She didn't want it next to her when she was streaming. She didn't want it next to her when she was sleeping. So she got really mad because it was meowing all the time because it wanted attention. Holy shit. And so she got rid of it. I don't know why she wouldn't just buy like an older animal. Older animals are perfect. They're sedentary a lot of the time. So, you want to just drop here and look for a vehicle, or?
Yeah, sure. Fuck. Let's go. I can get the 100% one if you want.
Where is that one?
Where do you want to go to after? It's to the northwest of the main area. I know how to explain it. I'm floating to it though. Where did you want to go after though?
I don't know. Oh, I think I see the building. I think. Are you even trying?
It's next to the big red house.
Yeah, I see it. Oh wait, shit, you are trying. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 duos in that city.
Did anyone go towards
the military base? See, we could head over there and check. Dude, I take fall damage like every fucking game now.
I don't know if it's worth it to go up to the military.
Fuck, sorry.
Yeah,
the military base is definitely worth it. If there's nobody there, that's a sick fucking spawn area. The 3 big houses or whatever.
If there are people there, they've already made it. Like they're.
Yeah.
I see someone fucking dropping in the distance. I think people are there.
It's up to you, my dude. If we don't go there, we could go to Primorsk, but we're risking the white fucking us. So, I mean, it's a risk reward.
Alright, we'll see the white in about 5 seconds from now anyways. But I'm like 90% certain I saw someone land here. We'll hear gunfire in a few seconds if there are people. Oh, Jesus.
Also, just want to do it.
I like it. Oh my god. Unless it's one duo, yeah, you're right. I'm seeing where this white lands.
Get the red hip hop shoes, they reduce fall damage. Nice, man. If you get the right set of Nikes, you can actually jump fences.
Yeah, there's people
get
here.
multiple duos.
I don't know if you want to risk it or not.
No, they're in these houses. These 3 houses are what we would be looting, so it's not worth it.
Primorsk is okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. I'm gonna gun it. We should switch cars at first opportunity.
Yeah, sure. Shift it then, right? Yeah. Yeah, you're... Shifted and flipped it.
When we go to Primorsk, I think we should do like the perimeter of the place and move our way into like the good stuff.
Sure, okay, so what's kind of the northern little boot or whatever?
Yeah. Italy?
Sure. With less communism, okay?
Whoa. What's wrong with communism? I heard you support them.
Yeah, I love communism. Damn, dude, I went from being a communist lover to like a supreme corporate shill over the United thing in like 2 days. Feels good.
Yeah, I know. You said the exact same thing yesterday.
Did I?
Yep.
Oh, well, there you go. You know, I'm a big capitalist, so I'm trying to get as much value out of my memes as possible. Sorry.
Sure. Should we switch for this?
No, sure. The blue car is really fast, which is nice, but...
I know, but we're like already almost out of gas. This thing can go 90 without gunning it. I don't know what the blue can without gunning it. Why are we switching? Because we had no fucking fuel, man. Okay, we're pretty close to the white though, so we can probably leave about like a minute after the blue shit starts, so we have like 3 minutes of looting.
Sure,
that's a lot of time to loot. Nice, man. Yo, how many last places did you get today?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty maybe
Alright, I'm gonna leave the buggy here as well. Let's roll. I'll take these 2 real quick.
I can't wait for there to be a shotgun dude right fucking here.
That would suck, dude. I don't know what to say. I've decided that the AK is not worth it, nor is the SKS. Like the 5.56 weapons are just way better.
They feel better. I don't know why.
Like they shoot faster and it's easier to control their recoil.
Yeah. Whoa, lightning outside? The Car 98 though is a good meme on its own, like as a 7.62 weapon, I think. The rate of fire is slow, but it can still one-shot down people.
Yeah, SKS is not worth it though.
No, it's because
it's actually terrible.
I don't think it can one-shot, can it? Through a helmet?
I think it can. I've been one-shot by a level, like with a level 2. I think if you hit them in the face, yes, but if you hit them in the helmet, no. Up to level 2, which is more powerful than the other rifles. But I mean, even still, it's so hard to control the recoil, and then like especially if you have a 4x scope, the bullets go nowhere where you're aiming. It's terrible. Having said that, I did win a game using an SKS silenced and a red dot scope, but that's besides the point.
All right, I've got a 1911, dude.
Nice. That's a pretty solid pistol for World War II standards.
I got a small dick. It is. Got
it. Nice. Alright, I'll grab this gas can.
Do you ever do any like gun memes or whatever?
What do you mean?
Like in real life?
I've never dealt with a gun in real life.
There's like it's like a big meme that the people that all of the people that shoot 1911s are like really big on like caliber and whatnot. Like, oh, it's a 45. Like, it's gonna kill somebody way better than a 9mm. There's like a big meme that like higher caliber is way better at being lethal than smaller caliber, even though the opposite is true usually because of ammo capacity. But it's not honestly a meme. It's a good meme. Okay.
No true.
Yeah, no true.
I got you a red dot.
Wow, thanks. I can put it on my 1911.
Nice, dude.
Oh yeah, you're Canadian. You guys aren't allowed to have guns up there, are you?
I think if you have a hunting license, you can have certain guns, shotguns, rifles, stuff like that.
Damn, dude.
Like in terms of semi-autos and auto weapons, no.
You're missing out, man. We got tons of guns in America. We even got them in our schools and movie theaters.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah, that's what the kids say when they get fucking shot by some crazy ass dude. It's a good freedom. Is there nobody here?
Oh shit, the blue's coming in. Okay, so let's go to those big ass warehouses.
Well, yeah,
then
for
if
sure.
no one's here.
Well, we still don't know
Do
that.
my last
But
house. Yeah, well, if we die, it's just like
It's just
whatever,
memes,
they
man.
deserve it. It's all memes.
oh, it's like
Nice. I got you a 4x if I can fit this.
super light.
I'm out of backpack space. Jesus fucking Christ.
Again? Somebody screenshot his inventory, please. Thank you. I gotta see it. I gotta see it.
Holy fuck, I'm actually out of backpack space. Oh, whatever, I'll drop this. Alright. Hopefully I can find an M4. Oh, there are people! There are people southeast! They're running in our direction, kinda.
Oh, I just got a 4x.
Like towards that big red diner thing. There are people here. Have you been in this big white barn?
Oh, I
that
see.
I'm next to?
I don't know. If the doors are open, yes. If not, then no.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
Oh my god. Are you shooting them? Are you shooting them? Oh my god, dude, please.
Test, test. Fucking shitcore, dude. I fucking hate this fucking cock-ass program. It hasn't done this for me in a long time, actually.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
oh my god, dude. I just
dude.
tapped out to do fucking Discord and the dude rolled over me. To the right.
Oh Jesus, not like this, dude. Oh, he knows I have a shotgun. This fucking sucks, dude.
Hey, you found a rifle. Oh, that's the dude that ended my life. Does he know you? I don't think he knows you're in here.
Why isn't?
He's probably gonna... Nice. Damn, these guys look kitted as fuck.
Yeah.
Many suppressors?
Yep.
You're healing, right?
Yeah.
I had a lot of meds on me if they don't have that many.
They do, they have a lot. Oh my god, 15 fucking Red Bulls, man.
Holy shit.
don't know what to do, man. There's so many meds that I can't pick up this ammo.
I just content myself that they're playing from some shitty little trailer home. Probably is like having to go work a fucking job in a fast food outlet to fucking pay for their mother's medical bills.
Dude, that fucking dude, I was talking to you. I was calling where they were and shit.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah,
like, hello.
One of the guys was to the southeast in the warehouses, and then there was another guy that was between us in the city, and that's the guy that killed me.
Go work a fucking job in a fast food outlet to fucking pay
Pretty
for their
fucking
mother's
evil, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's so fucking now.
I can't play.
Oh my god, I got a long ass drive too.
TV, so I'm not that triggered actually.
I can't play.
Have your little, have your little.
I got a lot of meds.
I have some.
My dude?
What? Yeah, hanging out. What's up?
No, I mean, my dude. This place looks spooky.
What the fuck? Where are you? I've never seen this like that before.
Like, northwest of Primorsk.
Weird.
Oh, I can't drive through that. Here you go, the hills of dankness. I needed to pick up level 2 armor. Fuck. Calculated. I'm like a little RC car.
Nice job, dude. Feeling some deja vu going on right here.
Yeah. This is the spot I abused to win the last game I played. Got like 7 kills in this spot alone.
Nice.
This game I'll get like 1 or none. I'll just die at some guy who's already here. I also had an 8x scope when I did it though, so fuck me. I had a military vest. You do more riddles?
Oh no, just doing some emails.
What I've noticed is about you is that you're really super efficient.
On what?
So everything you do.
I don't think so. Why do you think that? Oh shit. Nice. I wish I could target practice this game, dude, for like one day. I just
Yeah,
need,
I know.
one day to do it.
So
Like
shoot moving targets from a distance, right?
But like if you're playing any other game with reliable bullet drop, like those are easy kills. Like just easy. Like brain, you know, like there's nothing else to say. Like if you're
But
playing
there's
Arma
also,
or
like-
whatever, Battlefield, like
Well, Battlefield's like different because it's like smaller servers, right?
maybe, sure. But I'm just saying that like it's really frustrating for me, like strategically speaking, if somebody is running in front of you over on a large field, they're dead.
Yeah.
Like, they should be dead in a period of like 3 to 5 seconds tops. But having somebody running and you just like can't reliably get the bullets to hit them, it's just, even in Arma that's true. Like it's just so fucking frustrating.
What do I want? Oh my god, I have a full ass backpack again. Oh, he has a military vest, let's go. I was looking for an 8x, that's what it was. Maybe we should drop the shotgun. He had bullet loops, fuck me. Oh well.
There's a lot of desync
Dude.
issues that are more pronounced in running targets. Maybe, I don't know. It's hard to test it because there's no like single player or anything.
Dude, I have 12 energy drinks, 4 painkillers, and 8 first aids, 2 medkits. What the fuck?
Nice.
Like, I feel like you in every game that I die with no meds.
How far is the circle from you?
I'm inside it. I'm like 2/3 of the way in.
Oh, nice.
Where the fucker go? Fuck, I can't afford to lose targets like that. Let me go into the city. I'm like almost dead center. Holy fuck. Everyone's gonna be coming my way. shot an 8x right now. Fucking goal sack, dude. Fuck, this area is so spooky right now.
There wasn't a guy near that tree, right? I think I just seen things. Like on your hill? I don't think there was. No. Never mind. I think I was just seeing buildings in the background.
Yes, I'm still kind of in the blue zone. They're gonna have to run out of the blue to get to me. There's one. Fuck this shit, it's way too spooky.
I feel like every picture I see of military grade loot zones is literally just fucking invented. I don't know, dude. Nice.
Fuck. Whew. This spot's way too spooky. Oh, fuck.
That guy's gonna have to run in.
Yeah. Just don't know where he was.
The white's pretty small, so you should be able to see him as soon as he starts running. It's not like there's a lot of places to hide. Yeah.
There he is.
Yeah, it's pretty shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh shit, teammate.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You're in the blue.
I'm dead if I don't heal.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you have to. Using your boosters?
Mm-hmm. Fuck. Oh, I see you. Please. 4 alive and he's one of them. I don't even know if he's shooting at me or not.
No, that guy I don't think he was. The sniper dude was shooting.
I see him.
Yeah, like, yeah. He's probably shooting at the silent sniper guy. Oh, he killed him.
Alive.
Yeah.
Looks like a solo.
You hear the guy, dude?
What?
You hear him running. The guy closest to you. You heard him running up to you.
There we go. Just views the fucking hills.
Nice meme.
Nice meme. Yo, good one, man.
Yeah,
Good one, my
thank you.
dude.
Try my dude.
Top 5 finishes only. It's weird. It's like today you've had both experience. You've had dead last and first place.
Dude, let me see you carry fucking Ice Poseidon and Rugful.
Alright, invite me next time. What the
To a
fuck?
fucking win. Holy shit.
I had all of your meds. I literally had boosters going the entire game.
Well, thanks, my dude.
What a display of teamwork.
Don't forget, Destiny contributed equally to both placings.
Wow.
Ice Poseidon is garbage at every game.
Wasn't he like
game
somewhat
of life, dude.
decent at
Minecraft or whatever? RuneScape? That seems good. Damn. How did he get big? Popular, rather?
Wasn't it RuneScape? Will the cooling system I'm using on my streaming PC adequately replace cooling system in your gaming room? I don't understand what you're saying by cooling system. I don't know what is your actual question. What do you say?
Nah, it was a stupid question.
Damn. Wait, what was it gonna be? Now I want to know.
Something about RuneScape streamers. Because I know like Alicia was a RuneScape streamer. And
Oh yeah, no, there's a lot of pretty strange RuneScape streamers. That's where like the strangeness goes to breed or whatever. On Twitch.
RuneScape?
Yeah.
He said he let a man give him a blowjob? What?
You wanna go to the military base and fight?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, southeast, I'm going.
Can we even float that? Yeah, we can. Oh my god, this is gonna be a floater. How many dudes are coming with us?
I don't know. I'm going for the three big, like the schools or whatever you'd call them, I guess. I don't know. They're not really schools.
3 apartment buildings or whatever? Yeah. Dude, I think we're the only ones.
We'll see, I guess. That would actually be retardedly fucking sick, but... Oh no, I see... Wait, what? To the southwest? People actually drop
what the
over
hell?
there? Why? A lot of people. 1, 2, 3 duos?
They're going to those little
The
shitty
shit
towns, I guess.
villages?
One...
Is it really worth
two,
it?
Two duo...
Dude, I did not land.
No, these guys are...
Anywhere near as close as I thought it would.
These guys are going like just outside the military base, one party. The rest of the parties are just like hella far away. Where are you? Oh my god, you're hella far away.
Yeah, I think I jumped too late.
Maybe we should take this Wazi into the apartment complex.
Facebook is not comparable to an ISP. I do not have to go.
He said he let a man do it, but he ain't come, so that means he wasn't gay.
Nice.
Well, I guess that works.
Here I have one choice. I don't have to go on Google. My ISP provider is different than those providers.
Simple act of getting hard from another man touching your ding dong. I think
And the thing is, that if you start regulating the internet like a utility, and we did that right at the beginning,
it just takes a lot of confidence, you know?
And
Of security. I don't think I'm secure enough to... Oh, up in the air. Sorry, suppressor.
You know, and the fact is that, you know, I don't think it's my job
I don't think I'm straight enough to let it do
that
something
you
like that.
cannot get advertising for your information being sold. My job, I think, is to tell you that you have the opportunity to do it, and then you take it upon yourself to make the choice that the government should give you. And that's what the law has been, and I think we ought to have more choice.
So south, they can't run here, right? That would be retarded. They have to drive, no?
No, it's way too long a run. Yeah.
I don't know, my dude. I feel like there's gonna be some autistic shit going on, but I really don't understand how it was so popular that so many people would drop to the little shit villages. It really blows my mind.
Alright, I got my shotgun and M4. Suppressed M4. Some good shit, dude.
Nice.
I mean, I can suppress the shotgun. Wait, how do I get to the second floor in this building?
There are stairs on both ends of the hallways.
Not in this one. These ones are fucked up.
Then there's stairs in the middle then.
No, these stairs were actually just like blown up or something.
There's 99% sure you're wrong, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Maybe one of these doesn't have a second floor then.
Come track after you're done looting. The middle one.
Did we get fucked? No, that's not too bad.
It's not bad at all, actually.
Oh, the crossing the bridge is kind of annoying, but you said this middle one?
Yeah, the middle one has no stairs to upstairs.
Oh no, it doesn't look like it. If you look in the windows on the second floor, the rooms look pretty fucked up. Oh shit! There's a guy to the west of me. And one. Okay. Yeah, they're both next to that apartment building. Outside, to the right around where I died, like literally right next to my body. God damn it! How? What? They came from the.
I have no sights, dude.
They came from the second floor. Nice. They're on the second floor. You hear them?
On the roof.
It's not like they went up the stairs.
Do they hear me?
I can never tell on this game.
They heard me. Fuck it. Iron sights.
Nice.
Well. Fuck. Really?
What, are you getting shot at?
Did you hear footsteps? Oh, it's
No.
gunfire.
Yeah.
At least they could have brought me an 8X or something. Fuck, I don't have any boosters this game. No streams going on about me and not picking up the car 98. The second with the shotgun. They don't know.
They don't know what?
How good the shotgun is.
Oh, sure. What shotgun do you have?
S12K, extended mag.
Nice.
They don't realize though, like I have a silenced M4, so that I can use for long range, and then the shotgun I can use for really close range. Like if I take sniper shots, I give away my position. I need to hit the shot, otherwise, you know, I'm fucked.
Do you have a 4X or at least or no?
Yeah, I have a 4X and a red dot from these guys. They brought them both to me. The last solo I won, I was at a military base. I come up this way. There's a dude camping right at this lighthouse. And he starts shooting at me. I just fucking flick over to him and two-shot him. Fucking nerd.
Damn, nice try.
Fuck, dude. Please be no one else. Some good shit. Some good shit.
You hear that, right?
Yeah, but I saw the two people down the road. Can we go kill them? Fuck it, dude.
Shooting at
Two
people
parties
that are
range.
like crouched or prone
It's fine.
can be cancerous
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
much.
I thought you were gonna hit me with the shit about like why are you shooting targets that are knocked out.
I don't know. Prone people are like invincible, dude. Holy shit. It's so fucking stupid.
You think you can see me? I'm looking at the wrong tree, aren't I?
What? Did he never? I don't think he ever saw you. Nope.
No, I didn't.
I thought he was looking right at you before. Oh, he's testing it. Yeah, okay. That's pretty dumb. Wreckful did that when we were playing. Anytime he would get shot, he would just immediately go prone, even if the dude was like right next to him. It's pretty funny.
Nice.
What the fuck? These guys having some difficulties? Oh, this guy, just one dude? Nice.
I don't even know if it's worth it to go. Ah, fuck. I don't know, man. It's pretty spooky. Damn it. I think I got enough for now. Ooh, another dead body. I think this area is clear. I kind of want to go loot that, but I don't want to be too greedy. Oh. This is so spooky, dude. Tell me not to do it, dude.
Fucking go for it, dude. You would have seen someone else here, no? You're on the. You're pretty much on the border. I don't know.
Nothing I can use. I want an 8x scope. Fucking hate this area.
Our child shall be born in rust.
Oh, fucking kill me, dude. Yeah, third person doesn't win this game at all.
When's Rust wipe?
Someday, dude.
Hi Dad, I'm back at it again with my whippity shit. I come down from the hillside of Cowabunga to say that to make sure to lemon wink. Name the song, Faux Shizzle My Whizzle, this is the plot, listen up. You bizzles forgot, Slizzle does not give a slut winking face.
You saved enough money to retire, would you then go back to school? Probably not, I don't know.
I'd say no, just because like anything I'd want to learn, I wouldn't want to learn within like some stupid ass institution where it's like you have to take a bunch of bullshit classes with the ones that you want to take, and then a bunch of standardized tests. Like anything I want to learn, I'd rather just go out and find that information out on my own.
I think it would depend on what you want to learn though. Like if you want to get like good knowledge of like theoretical like advanced physics or something.
Yeah, then you would want to go to talk to a professor and yeah.
Probably go to school, yeah. But like my interests were all in music and whatnot, so performing and practicing and just getting a teacher would be better than going to school.
Yeah, I mean like I don't know.
See that dude lurking? Top right? Oh yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Right, so where was
the
we aiming again?
What were you
Where were we
saying?
supposed to aim?
Oh yeah.
How far off
the autism yet?
How far off of him was supposed to aim? Fucking 4x scopes too, dude. Fucking bane of my existence. Fuck, I didn't even get the kill for that. Scumfucked. This is such a shit place to be. I need to go for that fuck shack, I think.
You really like that over the tree on the hill that gives you advantage of everything?
Except for the people behind me.
Oh, you're assuming people are coming from behind? I don't know. Getting locked down in one of these shacks with people camping the outside is like my biggest fear. Like, what do you do?
I don't know. At least I can see a 360-degree view of everything around me when I'm in it.
Was that at you?
I think he's from a tractor. I think it was at me.
Yeah, I see him peeking.
Oh, no. Maybe it's not. No, it's not at me. It's at this dude.
Yeah, that was an AWM though, right? Or an M24?
Yeah, it sounded really fucking loud and powerful and something I don't want to fuck with, but... Alright, here I go. Fuck, where this... Oh my god, dude. Holy fuck.
Okay.
I guess he did see me.
You know what happened?
I
bet
the fuck shack.
No, I bet the guy running towards him was this fucking duo.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Yeah, and then he just killed you. Was that was a headshot, right?
Yeah, he fucked me. Which means he did see me going to the fuck shack earlier. Nice, I'm top for solo, top 1000 for win rating, and top 200 for kill rating. 654 altogether. It was an impressive death at least. Fuck, it just feels so bad that I got 7 kills leading up to that shit.
Oh
Where do you want to go?
You wanna go military base again?
No, there's gonna be too many fuck boys there. I'd rather do Pachinki if we do anything like that.
Yeah, we can do Pachinki.
Alright, let's do it. Are you gonna jump out, or you just...
Fuck. Fine, don't worry. Easy flow for me.
Okay, so...
In what ways is Estonia the poorest country in Europe? Estonia is actually doing really fucking well. Estonia is like the second, or maybe even the most successful satellite or whatever. I spoke about how Poland was doing so well, and how the Polish people are really proud that they're making it along okay considering their history. And then some dude emailed me a fuck ton of information about Estonia, and apparently Estonia is doing really well in a lot of regards too. You've got a duo landing right next to it.
Yeah, I see them. I see them.
On either side.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm pretty late parachuting in.
I'm just hoping I can get a gun before they do.
Yeah, good luck. Win the RNG war.
I got a shotgun. Let's go.
Oh fuck, there's like a shotgun or an AK on this building. Please just get me right here. Don't fucking Jew me. Fucking. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wow,
Okay.
dude.
That was a good rubber band. Okay.
That was a nice choice of words.
Oh. Oh shit, I picked up an S12. Fucking. I'm running to the roof. I saw a rifle. I can try to cover you. Just don't get into a fight before then.
Okay.
Hear a vehicle traveling.
He's upstairs in the house next to me. Don't know where the other dude is.
He's upstairs in the house next to you. The north or south?
It's the south or
Okay.
southeast, but I think he just
Don't really have any shots.
Yeah, he's still on it. He's still on it.
Oh, he's coming
He opened
out?
the front door?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see him. I fucked him up.
I'm gonna be fired. Hit his ally once. He's running away.
Other guy shooting at me. I don't know where from though.
What the fuck? It must have been from the south, right? Because he blew holes in that door, and I don't.
Oh
see
shit! There's two. It's a different party.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
They're moving to the
I don't know.
west. Oh, he's coming. He's gonna be coming around you to the left. Yeah. I would stay still if I were you. I would stop running around. I can see both sides if you stay right there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'm saying.
Okay. I can see
He's
everything
in the
around.
house. Inside the house.
Okay. You got a dude coming from behind. I'm shooting him. He's down. He's down. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah. You got another one coming from the same spot. Okay. Never mind. Yep.
I hit him.
Okay.
He's in the house.
Yeah, he is. Top floor.
Yeah. Got him.
Nice. Okay. That other duo ran off to the southeast.
Okay.
So I don't I have no more vision. I'm leaving, okay?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get into this building.
Oh yeah, that's right. You are Jewish. I probably shouldn't use that as an insult. Fuck. I just remembered. It's alright, dude. You'll be okay.
Holy fuck! This guy had an S12K with a shitload of ammo.
Nice. Did you loot the guy out here?
Yeah, he had like a revolver and jack shit.
Jack fuck all.
Suppose I should have picked up the AK that he had. I think he had an AK? I don't remember. Anyways, there's gotta be more people here, right?
These
I'm
three
going-
houses to the south part, you're not looting any of them?
Okay, I'll come in here. I was
Or
gonna
go to
go
the next
across the
house.
street. Yeah, I was gonna go across the street.
Okay.
To the south.
I think we should loot all these together, but okay.
Well,
Or unless you feel safe. I mean, if you feel safe like that.
I don't feel safe, but I feel like we've looted the other ones.
Okay.
Or
Maybe
like,
we have, and I just haven't noticed.
They're half. No, it's just like they're half looted and half not looted, and
Then
it's
it's
just
not
like
even worth it. Yeah,
I feel like would be wasting time type of thing. It's like inefficient as fuck. But I am sure there's more dudes around us.
Yeah, of course. Well, I mean, at the very least, I saw those dudes run into the city, and it sounds like now they're fighting one other duo, so potentially 4 people here. I don't think Destiny actually looks like that. No, you should have. He's
Is he in the house?
He's in the blue pastel colored house. Like right across from me. He's right in that. He's like trying to peek out. Oh, now he went back inside. He just died instantly, right?
Yeah, he died instantly. I'm gonna kill
Jesus fuck! Why? Why?
What?
Just why is he randomly fucking in there, like waiting for me to run it? It's so fucking stupid. Fucking triggered, dude. Whatever. So dumb. Why would you even camp in there? Like, the fuck is the goal?
He almost killed me too. He's gonna be pretty upset. I am upset. I have to use a.
I hear someone
killer for this fuck.
Running to the east. That one duo is coming back. I think they're coming around the north of my house. I hear a door open. I think he's in my house. One dead. Okay, there's one to the north of me in that house, I think.
Whoa! Oh, I'm down behind a wall. He's to the south. In the house to the south.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming down. I'm coming down.
He's still on the balcony. He's still on the balcony. He's popping his little head up and down, up and down. South, like 195 south.
Okay,
yeah,
picking
you
you
can
up.
pick me up,
Whoa!
Yeah, just pick me up.
Okay. Oh, I think I might be shootable here.
No, you're good. You're good.
4, 3, 2. What? I'm sorry, I canceled. I don't know why.
Oh no.
5.
Oh god.
Why?
Is he nading us again? Stop that.
Yeah, I just won't alt look, I guess. 4, 3,
Jesus
2,
Christ.
1. It's fucking so stupid. Yeah, okay, is it the house I'm facing, or is it the one to the right? It's the one I'm facing, right?
That one. Yeah, that one.
Okay, I understand.
I'm gonna. Do you have a nade?
Okay, is there another dude here still though? The guy that was in my house?
No idea.
Okay, I'm running back in this way. I don't want to fuck with that.
Okay.
Yeah, shit!
He's shooting you, dude. All right, if he pops his little penis up again, I'll take him out. Oh!
What?
What? No, dude.
Are you sure that guy was shooting me and there wasn't another dude next to us?
No, that dude was shooting you, and then there's another dude next to us as well. Why would he just run away like that?
Because there was another guy behind us, dude. Okay, here, listen. This is like a new rule. If you think that something that I say or do is bad, you have to call it out at the time. You can't keep doing the hindsight. It's like the biggest fucking trigger. Like when I call something.
But like I don't know, because you literally call it as you're doing it though. So
yeah, then just say no. Don't do that.
Like, I can't, because you're already out in the open getting shot at by the time you say it.
Turn on my fucking stream, dude.
Okay. What, are you playing the clip back?
No. Like, you tell me that we're across a wall, okay? That there's a guy camping in this balcony, okay? And we're both here. Okay? Yeah. And there's, like, houses here, okay? I'm pretty sure that there's a dude, like, hiding around back here somewhere. I'm almost positive. The duo of the guy that I killed. So, rather than sit here and play with my dick fucking around with a dude here, I don't know if he's got another duo that's gonna come in and try to pincer us. I just want to go back into the city and just kill this one guy. Like, that feels really obvious to me. I don't know why I would sit here and risk
grenades though.
Who the dude? Come on, really? I've got 3 smoke. What are you gonna do? Smoke every single thing off? Like,
no, just smoke like in front of us and shit, so we can run back to the direction you're running. But like, I don't know. You call it as you're doing it. And it's not.
Yeah, because if I'm sitting here and there's all this noise being made, and I know there's a guy back here who could just peek me and start shooting us, and we have no cover, like we're just dead. Like, I don't know, dude. I would rather just run. But if you think it's bad, just say something. Like, I think my decision was sound. I would repeat it 10 out of 10 times. But if you say something, or if you think something, say something. Don't just be like, oh, dude, why'd you do that thing that happened to get us killed this time? Like, can somebody link me the clip?
Like, I'm lying down healing, and you pop up and run away when the guy's still on the balcony looking at us, though.
I didn't see the guy looking at us at all. Can somebody link it to me? I don't know if I missed it or if I was pointing at a building that you weren't talking about. Like, it didn't look like the dude was looking at us at all. If I would have saw a guy looking at us, I wouldn't have went. I need to watch it. Hold on. Damn, you're too famous now to give a shit about your viewers. How does that make you feel?
What?
Oh
Who
shit,
said
I have
that?
ISIS chat up. Never mind, I'm sorry.
What the fuck? I gotta restart my game apparently.
Alright. Is it too late to make a clip? Fuck, somebody fucking link it to me later.
This dude linked something. This is 0242. No, that's the wrong timestamp.
Oh, dude, no, I see it. This looks perfect to me. We're both behind the wall, and then I can see the boxes. Although the guy that was in my house.
No idea. No
Okay,
idea.
I'm running back in this way. I don't want to fuck with that. Ah, shit!
No idea.
I'm running back in this way. I don't want to fuck with that. That guy's really hitting me? I'm like right next to the corner of the fucking house.
But you see how you're calling it as like you're doing it?
Yeah, I guess, but like you can interrupt me. I'm not gonna like cry or something, right? Like if you shout like no, don't
But-
do it or something, like as I talk.
But like, okay, so I'm watching it again. It's like, you're
Somebody have
already
a clip
crawling
from my
out into
point
the
of view?
open. You're like, is the other guy still here? The other, like, you start crawling out into the open, and then you stand up, and then you're like moving away, and then you're saying, I'm running back. But you're already doing it before you start communicating what you're doing. So by that time, and then you get shot like within a second later. So by that time, it's too late to call you off of that. I don't have the time. It's impossible for me to call you off of something that you're acting before you're even communicating your action.
Yeah, I guess.
You know?
How is this guy from the balcony hitting me when I'm like going through the fucking wall?
It's probably laggy as fuck. That's what happens.
I want to say from my point of view, I didn't think the guy from the balcony would be able to. hit
Yo,
me.
let's go southeast side of Pochinki. Southeast side.
Yeah, go for it.
And then we can clear from the
I
outside
totally
in.
just jumped. I wasn't watching. All right.
Oh my god.
We're good, dude. I'm right there. I'll make it. Do you do like the 2 warehouses outside, or are you actually going into the city? You're going into? I want to pick up these warehouses out here. Or I don't know if they're warehouses or
The
houses.
barns or whatever?
Yeah, houses.
Anyone with me? Looks like 2 duos.
Maybe more, I can't tell. It's a lot of spread out shit.
One duo going to the north. Another duo. Oh shit, yeah, there's like 3 or 4 duos here.
Yeah,
dude.
there's.
And I'm stuck.
Just get good, dude.
Yeah, at least I didn't take fall damage.
Hey, me neither, dude.
Okay, one duo took the car.
Pussies.
I need a gun, please.
Can somebody clip me that from my point of view so I can look at it when we're done with this one?
I looked at it from your point of view. But I'll link you. Some dude linked with the
I can't
timestamp.
watch the whole fucking VOD, dude. My internet is shit. It'll crash my whole fucking the entire
you not
neighborhood's
scan?
internet.
fuck, this is so spooky where I am.
We got one of these big houses looted. Gonna do a second one. Keep in mind there could be a duo wandering around that's not fighting next to you.
Okay, I have an auto shotty for now.
Only got a fucking car and a red dot. Oh, there we go. I'm running over to you, okay? Right, you hear me? Still, can you hear me? Hello? Can his stream hear me, or is my Discord fucked? I can't tell if it's my Discord or his Discord. Fuck. We hear you. Whose Discord is fucked? Mine or his? He fucking jumped out of the building. Oh, he can hear me. Oh, okay. Do we want to go to that fighting in the north, or jump once for yes, two for no? Hold on. Once for yes. Okay, let's go. I don't fucking see anybody. What the fuck? You want him in the house to the left? Could have an ally here. Oh yeah, I see him. He ran behind the greenhouse all the way back there, that green little one with the satellite dish on top. Okay, I just got hit by a sniper, I think. Fuck, I gotta heal. Alright, what's the plan? Unmute in-game at least, and put sounds to friend only. Sound. Voice channel. Only team. Apply. Alright, can you talk?
Hello?
Oh, I hear you, buddy.
Alright, cool. So there's the snipers by the church and the other fucker ran away.
Yeah. So do we just go back to the city and loot? I think?
Guess so. Yeah, sure.
Is your Discord mic just not working?
I don't know. You want me to reconnect it?
After the game is fine. I don't know why this game has voice comms built into it. Isn't that really bandwidth heavy? Seems like a bad idea. When the servers perform so poorly already.
I see one.
Northwest, or?
Yeah. It's like, oh, does he see me? He's northwest, yeah. I don't know if he saw me or not.
On like the left or right side of the divide? On your side or my side?
He's just over a hill.
Oh, really far away?
He's like running away from us.
Yeah, I can't do anything. Go back to looting. Do you want to choke or no?
Nah, I got a fucking, what's it called?
It's not at you, right?
No.
Okay, you're fighting someone then.
I'm like relooting everything. It's terrible. That was at us.
What was at us? I didn't even hear anything.
Grenade taking us. There's a crate by the church, dude.
Oh, wow.
I think they're by the crate by the church.
Do we want to try to push them and go up there? It sounds pretty active.
Yeah, let's do it, let's do it. Fuck, this is gonna suck. I have a shotgun and a fucking sniper.
It isn't? No, I don't think so.
I don't think it is.
No. Go to crawl mode, I guess. Make less noise. Hopefully nobody's in the city and just shoots us in the fucking back. Oh yeah, they're fighting on the rooftop. You see the one guy? I think I'm gonna shoot him. Can I?
Shoot him. Yeah, go for it.
Oh fuck. He's
yeah, do it. You do it.
He's on the far side of it. So on the top to your right.
I killed him.
On the roof.
I killed the roof dude. He jumped off.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Did he drop or did he die instantly?
He died instantly.
Okay. That might have been everybody. I'm looking around. Yeah, I think that's everybody. There's a military vest level 3 in here and an M16, which means somebody took the gun. So one of those guys should have some sick shit.
I got an 8x off this dude.
Are you fucking kidding me? Did I just...
Here, I have a 4x3 though.
Okay, sure. I'm checking the guy on the roof. This guy probably has an AWM or something, I'm guessing.
Forex on the floor under you. Suppressor for sniper.
Yeah.
I dropped mine.
Wait, you dropped your sniper?
Is someone close to us? Yeah, I dropped my sniper.
I'll take the suppressor then.
Yeah, I'll drop it.
Wait, I don't even know if it works, my gun. Oh yeah, it does. You don't have a cheek pad, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Did the guy get away? Or was there just nothing good? I don't understand. We're in the white, right? Oh yeah, we are.
Something there's anything good. He dropped down here.
The fuck was in the crate then? Somebody walked away with something because there was a rifle like laying outside the crate. So somebody picked up like a rifle worth dropping their M16 for. What do you want to do?
I don't know. We can loot these, like a few more little things. I don't know. Maybe Buddy fucked off with a good gun.
Here it is. I found it. You
found the op?
It's an M24.
I'll use that instead of the shotgun. Unless you're using it.
Yeah, if you want to. Hold on one sec. I'm dropping it right here. Use a 7.62, right? There's a lot of it on this guy's body.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. There was. Yeah.
I got an 8x scope on it. Do you need an 8x scope?
No, I got a 4x.
Okay, I'm good to go then.
Sure. The outside the crate, there was an M16 laying on the ground, so somebody had to swap their gun for something better in there, right? So they're looking for a Tommy gun or an M24 or an AW.
I'm gonna get this 600 quick draw from this dead guy around this right here.
Hold on. I might have already taken it unless you saw a different one.
Different one.
Okay. Wait, there's an extended quick draw?
I got it already.
Oh.
For
yeah,
number 24.
Oh yeah. Fuck.
I'm taking a peek at these nerds over here that were shooting each other. I don't see anything though.
Shots really far to our west. I mean, we've got like a little crater here. We could just hang out. I don't know. It's up to you. How are you doing on medical?
We can hang out until 2 painkillers, 1 energy drink, 3 first aid in my kit.
Okay, I've got 2 energy. Car moving to our northeast. It's below the hill, though we can't really see it. Do you want to head to the northeast to try to fuck up the people fighting there, or?
I think we should chill here until the next circle comes.
Okay.
I see you.
You see me?
I thought you burped or something.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, we just hang out here and just fucking snipe anyone. I feel like that's in the actual town and we can't see. Oh, I see the car that you're talking about.
Yeah, blue car, right?
Yeah, if someone gets in, I'm gonna snipe them, I think.
I'm gonna go to the church, and I'm just gonna...
oh my god, I'm going to the church.
It's a little shit.
I'm not risking this fucking game on RNG. I'm gonna fix Discord while I'm in here. I'm just gonna
reconnect.
I don't know what I should do. Reconnect?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to drag me.
Yep.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you work?
No, I don't hear you. Can you say something?
Fucking Christ, are you kidding?
No, I can. Of course I can hear you. Oh, you saw the voice out of the game, so.
Wait. No, no. That's not the game. That's Discord. That's Discord. Oh my god, I was having a fucking finger cramp by pressing T.
I don't like the roof of these churches. They're good vantage points,
it's
but I
way
feel
too
like
exposed.
yeah, everybody looks there. Like it stands out really hard, and you're ultra exposed.
Okay.
A lot of shit going on to the north. I don't like the idea that people can roll up from the south though. Those hills are real big memes.
No, we just sit in this crater. We have a fucking head start on everyone.
Yeah, hopefully.
It's like if we get knocked down, like we're
Can we get up
for
again?
A long ass time.
Never gonna keep us down, right?
Never gonna keep me down. I think the lyrics go.
Yeah, I was
Wasn't
trying
that a
to make
one-hit
it
wonder?
Applicable. I don't know who made the. Do you know who made the song?
Zumbo what? Chump? No, I don't remember.
If you don't know, then yeah, it was a one-hit wonder. You hear that car?
Yeah. Yeah.
To our north. They might be coming up the hill.
Sounds like it, doesn't it? I can peek out and shoot them if they are.
Yeah, they are.
How did I miss?
Nice.
Knock him out.
I'm unloading. If he
Yeah.
gets out. I hit him once. He's dead. Yeah, it's okay. I'll loot. You wanna Overwatch? Oh wait.
I'll try. There's a
Somebody
crate
just
there. You
shot
should
him?
not go. You should not
Yeah.
go. You should not go.
I'm coming back. Coming back.
There's a crate down.
Somebody shot at me. I'm positive. I hear shots at me. Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know where from.
It's a sniper, I think, too.
Yeah. Yeah, because it was only one shot.
I can't see. I'm scared of people coming up to the church.
Yeah, that's. I don't like that from the south.
Those shots are from the village or something.
Wherever they are, the guy could see me because his shots were pretty close to hitting me, so. I'm just not sure where. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
How
Oh
can
my
he-
god.
Oh,
No idea
do
where
I?
it's from, though, dude.
No.
Do you?
Is he on the hills? Like to the north? Like over the, you know what I'm talking about? Like super far away?
Oh my god, I see like a 600 meter shot.
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
Yeah, or no, wait.
No. I'm
Oh,
not
from the
taking it, I'm not
roof?
taking it. Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
someone there, but I don't think that's where they're shooting us from. I think you're right about the hills.
We're gonna have to move somewhat soon. I mean, we got a minute 40. I mean, we got time, but.
Dude, I can't see this guy at all.
You did see someone from the hills?
No, I'm just assuming that's where they are.
Okay. Should I try to go down and loot again, or are we gonna chill?
Did you hear the gunfire to the west? Just a little bit?
Not really, no. I hear gunfire from like
That's
our south. Yeah.
Let's go south, kill those guys, and run back to the circle.
Okay. was pretty far away, so they could be like in those fields that everybody plays in, you know?
It's a little spooky.
Now, those are more shots to our north. Lots of shots to our north. Only 22 alive.
I don't see the guys to our south.
I don't either.
Okay, I'm gonna look for the north side again. Okay, I have the church angle now.
Those shots are coming from our southwest now.
Oh, I see people getting shot at.
To the southwest?
To the northeast.
Oh.
Northeast. Fuck. 2 people. One
Oh
person.
shit, I see him. Yeah, he went down. Are you killing him?
Yeah, I killed the guy. But he's right next to him. He's running to his left, so towards the west.
Yeah.
There's someone else that was shooting
he's
at
shooting.
them, though. Someone else was shooting at them.
Oh.
That's
Somebody's
someone
shooting
else.
at me right now, okay? That shot was at me.
Yeah,
Okay, I still don't know where it's
I'm
coming
popping
from.
a booster and I'm coming in. I'm gonna peek the fucking south side real quick.
Gee, somebody... I don't know.
There's a buggy to our south side.
Okay. We're gonna have to move down fairly soon. I'm gonna pop 2 energy drinks. Oh
Yeah,
shit, that
I'm
blue's
down.
moving up on you.
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm moving down.
Yep. Buggy on our fucking west side. It's just starting to hurt a little bit.
I'm gonna check this crate up here.
I don't know where the buggy bugs went.
Okay.
The buggy buddies. They're around this area though, for sure.
Nothing of value on this guy. Do you think that other crate is safe to check to the right?
No, it's not.
Do we know where those shots are coming from yet?
No, but there's people to our west. And I think we need to figure out where they went.
I don't know if that was supposed to be at us.
Grenades don't have that long a range. He's gotta be close if it is at us.
I just don't know how far the
We
fuck
should
this
wrap
side
around this
is.
side right now to the south side of the circle and deal with these 2 fucks that were in the buggy. They could be in the warehouse, they could be in the fields.
Yeah. I'd be really skeptical of the warehouse, of them peeking out.
Yeah, he's in the warehouse. He is. He's peeking
Yep, I
you.
see him. I see him. You fire? Are we firing?
Yeah, I knocked him out.
Yep, he's down.
Take him out, yeah.
No,
Go
he's
for
just
it.
injured. He's injured. I don't know if his duo's in there or not. Oh, yeah, his duo just ran
Yeah,
over to
his
him.
duo's
Should we
peeking
go
over
and...
now? I'm gonna go nade him. I'm nading him. Yeah.
I shot at his duo. He got off his ally. Yeah, he's dead. Ally's dead. His duo was in there. He ran back in.
Yeah. He's behind these boxes.
Okay, do you want to... Oh, shit, we're getting hit from behind.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, dude. That fucking sucks.
Oh, fuck. Maybe we should have just ran in.
Yeah, probably. I think... I don't know. Was that the guy that ran in? I think he ran in, ran around. Did he have time to do that?
No way. Could it have been?
I fucking dunked a nade on him, though. Jesus. Ooh, I'm 753 for duo ranks now.
Damn, dog. Yeah, no, those shots came from too far away. If it was the guy running around, we would have heard the shots coming from like right next to us, and we would have heard him running. I think there's no way it was that dude.
Sweet, it was Scott
Somebody
Flank.
else.
We need to push that guy instantly or something, or either push him or just like fucking fuck it off completely. But like that was the position. If we kill that guy and take that position, like that's the most ideal position. I
Yeah,
think.
well, it's kind of a shit position actually, right? Because there are guys camping the outside, and we have to run in from one direction. Like, you know what I mean? Like somebody's gonna camp the entrance, and we're gonna be running out into fire, which kind of sucks, but. Yeah, sure.
Actually, this time?
Yeah.
North side?
Yeah. You know what the worst type of guy is? It's like, it's so easy. I've boiled this down to a science. Like, I can give you, like, with perfect predictability, like, the worst type of guys are the people, the men that use the cat face. The :3.
Oh, yeah.
100%. Every fucking time. It's like 100% guaranteed.
I don't understand what the fucking cat face is supposed to, like...
Cat face is like, I'm too
resemble.
beta-y to ask you anything else or do anything else. I'm just gonna make cute faces.
Oh,
and
is
hope
it
that you
supposed to be like
beg
a
me for
cutesy
sex.
thing or some
yeah,
shit?
it's like a cutesy, like, no self-esteem, no confidence face. 100%
It's like a worse, like, more than embarrassed type of thing. It's like,
I don't even know, dude.
Great.
Some cucky shit. Holy fuck, no wonder I have my brightness jacked. What the fuck?
What?
If you turn your brightness to 50, inside buildings is autistically dark.
Yeah, I know. It's really
Holy
dark.
shit. Okay.
I turn my shit up, and then my stream's like, why is it so high? And it's like, because I can't see jack shit.
When you set it to 50 outdoors, it looks really nice. Like, very clear and everything, and it's not, like, burning your eyes. But inside, it's just horrible.
I got a scar.
From
I'll pick
what?
up a red dot for you.
Oh, thanks. It's a good one.
Oh, I see someone running into the house to the southeast of me. He's gonna go up the stairs and I'm gonna pop his face. Come on, bud. Please, before someone else kills me in the side.
Wait, you're going upstairs?
Nope. I'm waiting for him to peek the windows of the house.
He's in this house to my right, or this one to my left?
No, he's the one across the street to the to the east. I'm gonna go up the stairs and stand on the balcony and kill him.
Is that really worth it? Oh shit.
Fuck. Okay, I want to go chase him to the southeast.
Sounds like a really bad idea, but good luck. I have no guns. I've only got a
smoke to get out of there.
Pistol.
He's smoked to get out of there. I see him. You ran away. I'm not chasing him anymore.
Fucking just let me find
It's
one.
so spooky. He didn't have anything. But
do you hear that? Oh, that's you. That's you. Never mind.
So many dudes around. Have we cleared all these houses?
I think I have, yeah.
Okay, let me go back up into this one because I think I went upstairs, but I didn't clear upstairs. There's a shotgun up here.
:3 bonus meme. OWO what this?
And a backpack and a helmet.
Crossing the street.
Did you get the shotgun?
No. Do you think I should? I'll go get it.
Yeah.
Lots of shots to the south.
Yeah, I hear that.
One or both?
I killed one. There was no knockout. I don't know if he's pushing someone else or if he killed someone else and was going to go get the loot.
We crossing the street then?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
He was
crossing.
at this building to the south, 165 of us. Oh, okay.
I'm over
calling
here.
you. I think this area should be clear now, unless there's like one other duo.
Are you on like a... Oh, yeah, okay.
Someone's outside my house.
positive it's not me running, right? I'm coming up to the balcony.
100%. 2 people. Oh no. He's coming over this white wall. I need you. I need you. I need you.
I'm running over.
He's losing my body. Kill him.
Hit him twice. Not close enough.
Fuck, dude. Oh, there's tunnel vision on that guy. And the other guy comes from down the street.
I've got to restart 1 sec. Oh, yeah. Wow. Here. Do you see? Do you have the link?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this guy that you said was up on that balcony, unless I just missed it again, I never actually saw him. I assumed that he ran back inside.
Destiny,
I didn't know exactly. I didn't know what
debate.
you meant he was, but I never see him. But I figure that like if he's up there, if he decides to come back out to look, like I get so far around. Look, he hits me 3 times when I'm already so far around the fucking wall. But yeah, I never actually saw that dude you were talking about.
I guess you got timing, or, like, oh no, you did. Yeah, okay, you do see him.
Wait, where?
So at if you play like frame by frame almost between 2 and 3 seconds, like when you pan to the house and then you, like if you play it frame by frame, you'll see him duck his head.
Oh,
so you looked
like
away,
yeah,
and then he popped his head up, and then you look back and he's
oh
ducking
my god!
again.
Ah, that's so dumb. Holy autism. He hit like all of those shots on me when I had already rounded the corner too. I don't know if you saw that, like 3 shots.
Yeah.
Like I was already around the corner. It was pretty stupid.
It's gonna be my last like 1 or 2 games.
Sure.
I'm gonna go to bed by 4-ish.
All right, this is my last one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck you. Pachinki again?
Wait, are you just like trolling?
No, this is my last game.
Okay. You wanna go to the southeast side?
Sure.
Let's make it last then.
Yeah. Of course. Two duos at least, 3 duos maybe. It's quite a few memers.
Oh my goodness.
1, 2, 3, 4 duos. I think. I would say 4 duos in the city.
2, oh my goodness. That's a lot of people, dude.
Gotta fight our way through, dude. King of the kill.
Yeah. Wrong game, dude. Wait, is this a suppressor? Oh.
Yeah, dude. Try it.
Imagine that.
If we picked it up, you know we would get killed like 2 seconds later. By
Yeah.
some dude with a fucking pistol.
Military vest, level 3 helmet. Some dude just rolls up with all that shit fully looted.
Okay, well, I've got some very strong hands to punch people with right now. Yeah, okay. I'll play another game if I finish first this game, okay, guys?
Did you do this house storm next to you?
All the doors are open.
No. Never mind. Oh my god, I have so many good meds here. The fuck?
How has nobody ran into each other yet? Are they all camping houses?
Might be. Dude, I have 4 energy drinks and 2 painkillers right now. And a first aid.
Oh,
What the
nice.
fuck? Maybe that's what everyone's getting. Everyone's just getting shitloads of medical supplies and everyone's afraid to just fight as a result of it.
Wow, dude.
Nice. Yeah, a red dot for you.
Oh, I think I hear a guy in this house.
Stop.
Wait, no, that might be you. Never mind.
Stop. It's not funny.
What?
It's not funny, dude.
No, in the greenhouse next to you. Fuck off. Across the
Okay.
street. I thought the footsteps were coming from there, but it's you.
I just heard that you TK'd already earlier today, so just on high alert.
I don't remember this happening.
Alright, things are about to get spooky. And then as we keep going down the street.
Oh shit, do you need a
Yeah.
rifle?
Yeah, actually, I'll drop this car 98.
Okay. I dropped an M16 upstairs. You have an extra red dot?
Yeah, I'm dropping it in B. Yeah.
Oh fuck. Hold on, I'm dropping 30 bullets, okay?
Okay.
You heard that smoke go off?
No.
What the fuck? How has nobody gotten into a fight? Do you want to cross the street and work our way down, or do you want to keep going in this direction?
Yeah, we can cross the street.
Okay, let's cross and go back to the beginning then. What?
There we go.
That was a grenade?
No, that was a bomb.
Was it? Okay.
I don't know, maybe it was a grenade.
Oh fuck.
okay with lots of ammo in this house if you want it.
An AK?
AK with 7.62s.
Oh, I don't give a fuck about that nasty ass fucking bullshit. Dude, where the fuck?
That is an HE grenade.
Yeah. Okay, so that other thing I heard was also a grenade, 100%.
Okay.
I don't think
Is
the
that
bombs.
us now?
I don't know. Even when the bombs are close, I don't think they make those noises. Do you think they're out the 3-story, like in front of us, to the northeast? The 3-story red or whatever?
I have no idea, dude.
Is that at you?
Nope.
Yeah, that's like directly northeast across the street.
Yeah.
Do you want to head over?
Yeah, I do, actually. Oh my god. I have no idea where they are.
Okay, further into the city.
I see, yeah, just beyond this double-decker house that I'm running towards. By like the broken down engine.
Yep, he ran right behind this house to the right.
I saw it.
Okay.
I'm going.
One down.
Oh no.
Reloading. Oh shit.
Nice.
Reviving?
That should be all everyone.
Hopefully.
I think one duo took out the other duo.
Well, there are 3. There's a lot of gunfire. Just be careful, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna go and heal real quick.
Jeez, there's 4 bodies right here. I'm gonna hide in and heal too.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go check out this loot. That's in the distance.
Yeah, really far away.
This guy had jack shit.
Oh, this guy had jack shit.
M4.
Meds. This guy's got 3 fucking red dots on him. Why? He's red pill as fuck. Do you hear that car?
Yeah.
Buggy rolling by. Oh, can we take him off?
Oh, if they flip.
I don't think I did. Hit.
Knocked one out.
Yep.
Feels bad, dude.
How mad is that guy?
Wait, let's see if this dude comes back for him.
He's got to come back for him.
Let him
Maybe
come back for him.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you see him flying in the distance? Where do we even down this guy?
I don't know.
Is it in the pit? I just got the kill on him. I don't know where though.
I think I'm heading towards it in a straight line.
Oh, I see it, yeah. Fucking
Poor
hilarious,
fucking
dude. So on the
Land
back
4
seat.
on him if you want it. Check the Red Bull.
I got one already.
Okay. How much ammo do you have? I haven't been taking ammo.
I have 200 reserve.
Okay. I've got 153 reserve.
I don't have any 4x or 8x's though.
Me neither. Feels good. Well, but there's gonna be 4x's in here. I can't believe that dude just kept driving. He's like, peace, dude. You're fucked.
There's nothing he could do about it. He stops and...
Well, I bet the dude, when he got knocked off, he probably took like over half damage, right? 3/4 of his health was probably gone after he got knocked off and getting hit.
Because he got...
Yeah.
There's a Work like that?
Yep, that's why he died so fast.
Yeah, he did die pretty quickly.
Yeah, real quick, because it takes forever to die when you get fucking down.
Yeah, that's true. Fucking snipe that guy.
It fucking sucks, dude.
Feels fucking bad. If you find any extra extended mags, let me know. Alright, you want to divvy up med supplies and shit?
I've got 4 med kits, 1 painkiller, 4 Red Bull.
Okay, I got 6 energy drink, 2 painkiller, 3 first aids, so I can give you some shit.
Nah, we're probably good. This is good. This is good.
Okay,
If you have enough,
my
I don't think I'm ever going to
extended mags.
Nice.
Okay.
Those shots
Don't
are
have
coming
any
from the
forex.
north.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, they have to be pretty close. So.
Oh shit! No! They have
What?
to come to us because the
Yeah,
next
yeah.
safe zone.
Yep.
We should.
We can hang
maybe
out in this
start going
house. I like
south
this
even.
2-story here.
Okay, how many hundreds of meters do we have to go?
I don't know. Close the door behind you.
I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count it.
Look like 250 or something. Oh no! Wait. Like 5 or 6.
We need a minute and a half to run there. So, let's say at a minute left, we need to start going.
Sure.
So we wait here for 2.5 minutes. We're in the bombing zone too. Jesus fucking kill me. Remember, I have smokes this game. So if we get pinned in an area that's shitty, let me pop my smokes.
Sure thing, dude. How many med kits, first aid kits do you have?
First aid's 3, medkit
Okay.
0.
Alright.
How many energy drinks and painkillers?
4 and 1.
Okay, let me give you... I'll drop 1 energy drink for you. I'm 5 and 2, you're 5 and 1.
Vehicle traveling, that's them to our northeast, I think. I can't tell.
Okay, we should get out of this house and start going now, though.
Yep.
Oh, maybe we should wait for the bombs to stop.
Did you hear it? Wait.
Yeah.
The vehicle? You
To
heard
the
it?
east, right?
I think.
Yeah, but it could have been like some glitch noise, you know?
We're not really running in right now, too. We gotta go south for that.
Yeah, maybe we should just go straight south. Yeah, we need to go straight south. Fuck those guys, otherwise the blues fuck us. Say almost at the top here, but not.
Oh, I see the vehicle.
Yeah.
Two, yeah.
Did they see you?
I don't know. No, unless he was looking for me. See it?
Let them go, let them go.
Okay. If they stop, that's gonna suck for us.
They're going.
Yeah, looks like it. That bridge is gonna be AIDS. Do you want to go straight south and try to jump and swim?
Oh,
or?
fuck. I just realized
Yeah.
the bridge, dude.
We could go straight south and try to swim on shore, but that's pretty cancerous too.
No, we gotta find a car, dude. I had that happen once where I tried to fucking swim. It's not worth it, dude.
The problem is that if somebody sees you, there's just nothing you can do to outplay. Like, you eventually have to come to shore and then you just die every fucking time.
No, we need to hope for a fucking car that's not been blown up or have the tires shot out and with gas. I still have a gas can. Let's see if this is a clutch
Whoa,
gas can.
are they
Yeah, we should kill them and take the car.
coming back?
No, they're driving along the road.
Oh, there's a blue car. See?
I see it.
Yep.
They're going
No!
for it. Kill them.
I don't have a scope.
It's fine, I have gas. Oh, that guy's fucked up too. I hit him in the head. Let's go.
You don't have an
I
extra
gas
4x, do you?
Nope, I don't have any 4x. Let's go. I got gas for this car.
Okay. This is really meany. Do you want to cross the east bridge? I think we've got time to do it without taking damage. That west one is probably going to be a lot more active. But it's up to you.
I think we should just go.
Okay.
This has gas in it.
Blue car's faster. It's my only guess. I feel like this western bridge is going to be a lot more busy. Dude, these red zones are quite busy.
Right on top of us. Don't worry, I'm not going over this bump.
We probably shouldn't cross yet, should we? Or should we?
What, cross the bridge here?
Do you want to cross before the white? Okay.
Yeah. Yes, I do. Because there's no way the white lands on our side. Unless you want to stop off and kill those guys.
There's probably a lot of people fighting here. It sounds pretty risky. It's up to you.
Yeah, I think we should let them kill each other.
Because I feel like we have the supplies to make it to endgame. Oh, there's a guy. Guys are in the forest.
Oh, yeah. There's guys right in front of us. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Shit.
Run them over.
I can't aim down.
I'm driving.
Okay. He didn't even die.
How's he still alive, dude?
I hit him twice.
Nice. He's dead. He's dead.
Did you get the kill? Oh, okay.
No, I don't know.
Fuck.
No, I don't think I got the kill. I think someone else finished him off.
All right, as long as he's dead, I guess.
Okay.
I don't think it was worth crashing into the rock. If we would have died there, that would have been really shit.
Yeah, I didn't mean to crash into the rock.
Tunneled a little hard.
It's really unfortunate. I think we should wait for people.
Sure.
I don't know. I feel like we should wait behind that rock or something.
Up here is pretty good.
Or under the bridge, maybe?
No, that's really mean.
Bridge.
Okay, that's really
I'm gonna hide the car under the bridge.
Sure. Should have dropped me off up there, but unless you want to wait down here too.
Nah, I'm gonna
popping a Red Bull
drink there.
Yeah.
How did we take damage?
Crashing into a rock at full fucking speed while you're trying to run a dude over.
Okay, let's get one thing straight, okay?
Yeah.
I didn't try to run him over.
Okay.
I ran him the fuck over.
Can anybody imagine if I would have ran that dude over and hit the rock afterwards, how much steel would be screeching at me right now? I just want everybody to note that for the record.
Okay.
Alright. You want to camp the bridge and wait for people to come across? We know they're going to. And they're going to have a lot of fucking loot, too.
Yep.
I don't like the rock camp because if they go by, it's really hard to hit those shots. I feel like you can just camp here.
No, I mean, yeah, but like, okay, the problem with that is if they have 8Xs and shit, I have a red dot.
They're going to be driving, though, right?
No, half of them are going to be running.
Oh, okay. If you think they're going to be
running.
running.
By half, I mean 2 people. 2 people
I feel like they're going to be driving across. Plus, look, we can, like, we can hide behind these things right here, and they can't even see us. This is a bad idea, but good luck. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I can't wait to get shot from the fucking mainland.
I mean, you would have gotten shot from the mainland.
And by the
rock
mainland,
anyway,
I mean, like, inline. Yeah. Oh, I'm actually stuck. Oh, fuck off. No. No.
Are you serious?
Please.
Try standing and jumping and shit?
Prone locked. Hang on, I've gotten out of this before. I've been stuck like this before.
You're so close.
I'm just spamming every key I have on my keyboard.
I could knock you out and see if you can crawl out. Do you want to try that? We gotta make a decision fast.
Yeah. I'm dropping my helmet.
Wait, why? I'm just punching you. I'm just punching you.
No, just shoot me in the head.
Okay, hold on.
Wait! What?
Okay. I guess.
Get the car. Oh my god. Why doesn't it knock me out? Shotgun when you see a game sometimes?
Okay. Well, that was a good fucking meme, I guess. Was that my fault?
I mean, you had a rifle, right?
Yeah, I mean, I guess. I don't know. Would that have killed you too? I don't fucking. Oh, cool. No, I got the squad. Oh, of course that ran over me. Yeah, that looked like it did. Well, that was a good. What a waste of fucking time. Somebody's saying the shotgun can kill you because it has multiple projectiles.
So it kills me, and then it kills.
But
the
it has
knockout
so
guy.
much damage left over that it can full kill somebody from being knocked down. Like, okay.
Once I saw that shotgun barrel on my face, I'm like, this doesn't feel right.
All right. Well, that was fun. I'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Okay. Stay safe. Be cool.
Yeah, dude. Fuck. Later.
All right. I guess we got our 1 kill per day on steel accomplished. So. Unbelievable, dude. Alright, I love you guys. It's been fun. I don't know if Steel's gonna play solo or not, so I'll host him. See you guys later. Peace out.
Hey guys, your old pal Cinnable here.
I think we've watched this for, haven't we?